Flitter in the ice, head to toe in tie-dye. Wonder where this fairy came from. She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon, hand steady, hand long, holding fire in her hands. She starts to dance. Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the night. Ooh, Shiva by her side. I know that's right. Look out, make way, tear it up, don't play, cut it off, grow back, throw it back. Oh, in the stands, tell me who can send her like that. Ooh, who's gonna stop me from giving my all? No way. Pull on my heartstrings and
Listen, you be. And there's some I wonder where you leave the yard and gone.
Right, so tell some mommy don't say anytime I cannot find me in the yard. I'm always under the spot.
Me
Right
no
here.
wrong you. Me just let's see if we can do it.
Yeah, mommy.
Oi!
2 minutes ago, me one man pass here and a pss, 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 pss. me tired of them, you know, every day they just come and them up. Yo, slimmers. Pss. Yo, little girl. This is like my little way I call it. And somebody say, how did them people here? They're not just go on. Go look somebody their size. Me say, what if me did that kid? You would have be pedophile or pervert.
Well, if you was a kid, choose some of them man can't tell the difference nowadays.
Me know. I see it on the news.
And in real life too. Let me tell you, you reach your age, you know, you have to have this kind of talk. You see when them man them up, psst, 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 yo, and don't be surprised, cause look how you're beautiful.
Right.
You get good genes from my side of the family.
But me a dog.
So every family interfered with.
Right.
We have white and Indian and China in our family. So exactly. You see when them man a call you, them a go call you. You're beautiful. You're beautiful inside and out. But you see some of them man them just a look for the outs. Them just want to go from outside, inside. You know what I talk about? Tan far from them.
Me don't want nobody. You see, my focus on the same life. Cause right now, none of them can give me what I want.
And what you want?
One room for myself.
Okay. But me I talk, if not for now, me I talk for future. You see them man, you see all the street, and all them the pan is that. And
me here to foot back out the door and the pants their body.
Them no know what that mean, you know? Them no know, say, back in the days, that means say you're broken. Bakra broke them. When them wear them trousers down, but that's another point. Look for a good man in this life, you see? Man that want ambition. Man that wants you. And you have to test man too, you know? Cause them mouth sweet at the beginning. And they will tell you anything you want for hear. But you see the biggest test? No get way too easy.
Oh no. But did I say my way till marriage?
Even better.
Right.
Even better. And you see a man that will wait and still look after you and rate you, that's what you want.
Right. As that them did tell me that I use and test a man.
If you can't, no, so you can hold out doing that.
I can hold out.
My girl.
I try even add on 18 more.
Of course, then the must is a nice part of a relationship, but it's not the be all end all, my girl.
Right.
Me know something have to talk in details, cause my girl, I wish I was like you, you know.
Mommy, I did a from a little you ring them in my ears. I feel like it's stick, you know. I feel like it's stick.
Man, me wish I had the sense you had at your age. I'm proud of you, you know.
Right. I'm proud of myself too.
Oh God.
Yeah, you did a very good job.
Keep bringing it on.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right. You did a very good job.
Uh-huh.
Yes, you did well.
Uh-huh.
Yes, you even though your mother never do you that, you make sure you do it for your kid.
Oh God, have
Yes,
to.
and may God bless you. And may you have a long life. A long life. And God bless you with wisdom, knowledge, and everything. So you can come here and educate me.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Now each one teach one because Kayla, you don't know how. After you don't know. And you educate me, you know. You see, from you coming into this world, my life changed for the better. And every day you is a blessing.
Right. Biggest blessing in your life.
Of course, no doubt. Lord girl, me get down. Yeah, if we could try see if we can get up now. Hey!
All right. Oh, you're born in
We got a shop or you not gonna eat nothing tonight.
All right.
All right,
I'll
little
be
more.
right here, yes.
Aye. Bro, man, you just a come from around this.
Yeah.
The shop open.
Why? Me don't know, you know. Me not think so though, but if you want to know, you have to give me 2,000. And me tell her.
Give you 2,000 for what?
I work.
What kind of work? Me just ask you a simple question.
I work. You ask me a simple question, yes, but I work if you can tell her if your shop open. Now, uno man always tell man say for works. I work.
You're one of them bad mind people, you know. You really are going to charge your own a black woman for information like that. Go about your business. You're old scammer. You're a dead bad.
Yo, Rasta. Yes, sir. You're a lucky winner. Send the $1.5 million. Ha. Hold on.
Havana Christmas, yeah, ho. Where you top yourself for? Me know you.
Mama, right now, are you fear get them a money when me a make, you know? Are you me fear spend them a money upon the $1.5 million?
Oh, well, guess what? I don't want it. You can go and get to charity, get to people who really and truly need it. We suffer more than how me suffer.
So, me never tell us say you suffer. So, you all suffer
Never say me I
this.
suffer. Me I tell us say give to people who is suffering more than I am suffering.
So, how you them also?
How?
You're not frightened for 1.5 million?
No. Where, it a go done, you know? It can't done, you know?
More, I got
You know,
make money.
no business.
You see, if I did smart, you could have
Where your mother there?
Me no know.
Where your father there?
Me no know.
Oh, go spend
Where
it
for your
for
mother
somebody
there?
else. My mother gonna shop and look so
Where
for
for
me.
your father there?
Me no know where him there. Maybe the over yard or in maybe there somewhere. Me no know where in there.
If I did smart, you would have there foot right now. Tell me say you're interested and come on foot if you can help me spend 1.5 million and make we invest and make more money.
Me no want it.
Nah,
Me no
reach out.
fry. Where you work? Which part you work?
You don't see where me work. You don't see what me did on a while ago. See all my skull up on mute. You have to talk. Let me know if you're interested.
Me not interested. Go on your ways. Me no want nobody who don't work there honest, brother. Thief in money I have. Go
So
on
I'm
your
not
business.
steal money.
No, me no want it.
The money where you are
If
spending.
people them tears I go paralyze you one day. Go on walk your what no sir?
Couple you too. You look like you want to take 5 bills out of 1.5 million.
As much as how me I suffer, me no want no money from you, especially people like you. Big and tough ugly like.
Wow. My man is wonderful. It's a beautiful girl like you. Are you me talking to miss? Yes, you. Yeah.
No sir.
nice,
Jesus
eh?
wept. Gotta wait. What happened this morning, Jesus?
I want for your mother.
My
Mother want to
mother?
know your mother right now for thank her and give her $1 million fee.
Oh well guess what? My mother no need a thanking.
Well, anyways. You look nice.
Me know
You're
thank
you're
you.
single? I don't look really. You know nobody.
Look here, sir. Boy, whatsoever you want, be you could even be girl.
I'm just trying to be
When
a
can I
knight
come here and
and
ask me say, when can I come here and ask me say, look a girl, you got subject, look a girl, you graduate school, look a girl,
When
you
will
this
I
and
get
that.
there? I
No,
want-
we're not getting there. That you
I
should
want
not
to
ask
be a
first.
knight. I want to be a knight.
The
in
only
shining
thing where-
armor.
Well, guess what? Go be a knight in shining armor, fee war them we are going out a road. Go help them, the people they survive. I don't need it.
Boy, you just you play hard to get though.
Nobody not playing a hard figure.
Morning.
Sir, we have a conversation, please. So you say, really.
Jesus Christ, daddy boxing done.
You won't tell me no. See, you have a conversation with my daughter.
Oh, your daughter. You think
And you're so ranking at Mr. Morning.
Yeah, they was about
think
man into my
And you look my daughter and think me go approve you.
Sorry, me think
First of all, me not approve you because me not approve nobody with them big old ring they like you go up your man.
Daddy.
Next thing you go sacrifice my only daughter because you want money.
Chill know why you come on the road looking like this.
The yard hot. So me want cool.
The road not hot. It's so hot a road and you still come on the road. What this here? Call your big gut. Call your two titty them out the door.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Where you do you so? I this is going to choose school for
sorry, no disrespect, but
No.
Man.
From man in me sit on here so I own a
If you know
business.
what you do, you shut your mouth. Let me talk to me pitney.
alright, sir.
From man in me there, I mind me own a business.
Are you
Everybody
man,
just
me say,
no, me no want that. From man in me there, I mind me business every pass. If me sit down, then call out to me. Me turn up and play a game on my phone, they still call out to me.
Man go call off of you. Depends on how you dress. And depends on how you move.
No wrong with them, just.
Your daughter hot.
We want
Me
shut
don't
up
want
and
to know
go
that.
nowhere.
I don't want to know that. Don't tell me that. Tell her that when me not there.
Alright.
Don't tell me that, yes sir.
Alright then.
You hear me, I
We're not
say?
done talking.
Because when you look people data, you must be well prepared.
So
You
we're
must
well
be well
prepared.
up to date. What kind of job you do?
Oh, I'm a entrepreneur. I'm a
Entrepreneur.
I'm a chopper.
You're a chopper.
Yeah.
What you mean a chopper?
Scam.
Scam. What you mean by scam?
Thief.
No, me not
Yes,
thief. Sir,
thief.
I'm a certified chopper. When they see me come with my cutlass, I'm start.
Oh! Machete work.
Yes, I'm a
Daddy.
big chopper.
Me feel like say you get done so from what they know. Me tell you, chopper, the thief people money.
You say machete.
Yes, I'm a chopper.
Alright, me
Certified
not don't grade nobody. Cause anywhere can work as long as I work honest bread. But you see if you look like,
Chopper bread not honest. Chopper bread lie.
if you're on this chopping ground,
I know wrong. How much time I gotta tell you?
I that the chopping.
Well, shut up and talk to me, put
A
up the
two part in
idiot.
the next part that.
Don't tell me nothing.
where your mother there? Your mother party, sir?
Yes, I'm going up the road, can buy something at shop.
Make it be the last time you see a thing of yourself.
First and the last.
I talk to my daughter as much as she a hating. My daughter don't want nobody unless them up there.
So me tell you, me a
You can't
chopper.
have family down there and take up man down there. You have to take up man with up there so you can bring up your family them up
Me
there.
ask you a question. You know how much grass me chopper there? You know how much yard me chopper there? Me I tell you,
Yeah,
me a
you
big chopper.
can't put it all out on plane. You can put us on plane?
What do
No.
you mean? But
I never fly before. And my daughter study hard. That's why I study. Make sure you study hard, right?
Yes.
How many subjects you get?
9.
really nice. You
And you
can
think
chop
you
together.
Me know
Yeah.
how you want to come and come
We
and
can
shop me
chop
future.
together.
No, you want to go and go chop me, alright. Me go chop somewhere
Teach
else.
you something, daughter. And then tell her this when you're younger. But now you're older, I can tell her. You see, boys will always be boys, okay?
Yeah, me know.
They will come to you, tell you all kind of story just to go in your cookie. You see, once the cookie done out of the jar, and nothing no left, and something come between it, then gone like a kite. Man like a them.
Well, guess what?
Especially man with the big ring them, never you trust them.
Guess what? You say this cookie, the jar is closed, sealed, and if nothing, a jar even mash up to it. There's nothing that can get in and out of this cookie jar.
Come on here. One.
So she and I.
Hey! I'll make it be the, me telling you, make it be the first and the last you approach my daughter again, you know. As much as she is 18, you know. I don't want you approach my daughter like that. You hear me?
Boy, alright, sir.
Make sure.
Oh, dear.
Shop lock. We walk it all the way around. Sure.
So what happened? She just got shop like your skin up her face. So.
No. Me, this bleacher boy. I'm asking me if the shop open, you know. I come from round this, so. Hear what the little rankers are tell me, say. Him no, but if me want to know, me have to pay him $2,000. One of them idiot with them the trousers on them batting. Just tell him what him think, but what we think I'm gone.
Well, I feel like say you shouldn't hold up in trousers and clap him down. I
Yeah.
think you shouldn't do.
And them catch what? Me no know me can't catch when me touch them. And there's other people pick me. Me no beat them. Me no beat you, so me not beat other people pick me.
Alright.
What you fancy now? Because when me was going cook, me can't cook again.
Mommy, I anything with there. Me work with anything. See, as me see him coming, me just remember. Me see him on road half naked as in them bam.
Naked? Which part are you naked?
I don't want no.
Mommy, you're the first somebody else at my man take him out from you.
Hey!
That's something admirable.
No, you're not admirable, none at all. Mommy, waste upon him.
If it not happen yet, my girl, nah. Okay.
Tell him, because I'm stuck with you for life.
Oh,
I'm stuck with you all the day of my life. I never find another woman. I tried, and I failed.
which part you try?
Okay.
No, I mean
Which
like
part
that.
you try?
No, better buying lotto. I tried buying lotto.
Mommy, don't make him fool you. He try to look at that woman.
You believe her over me?
Mommy, no matter what one man are going to get tired of you. No matter what somehow I'm going to tell you.
Lion!
Come on, experience new things.
No.
But he not tell us already.
You know why a man tired of woman? It's a woman in a man neck back and naga. Yo, that cheat. Yo, who that? Yo, where I come from? Yo, who text her? Let me see who text her. No, then this will make man cheat because we are things that will not cheat. You see, if the moment, if we can't trust my partner, we'll not have a problem.
Trust, yes, but someone no fool in the hell. I make we have to ask. Someone don't know how to hide evidence, you know. On a think on a clever, on a just think clever.
Let me ask you a question. You feel like if me did have another woman out there when I had time on me heart?
Yeah.
You think, say, if you did have another woman out there, you would still be alive?
Good. So why the hell you know I'm so like say me have woman out there?
Nobody may say I have woman. Why you sound so guilty?
Who guilty? Why you and your mother so guilty? You know me pass her out a wall with boy turn up. The boy diss me because of she.
And the top tell lie. I
The
hear
boy call me broke papa and how my wife no good and how this and that and how. See what
So what you do? How you deal with him? You deal with him?
begin some box.
a lie. Mommy, he say me over me turn up by bush side and watch him. He never do nothing. A lie, I tell. A lie. He's a big liar that take up.
Alright,
big
it's still your
lion.
father. It's still your papa. Me not rise my blood pressure. Never you rise your
No,
blood
this a
pressure over man here.
Me never have blood pressure.
Never rise your blood pressure over man, but don't take them foolishness neither.
Is she
know.
no good man?
No worry, if me know a good man, me
She
know
does
better.
not know good man like how you know a good man. I am a good man. I never cheat on you before. I never insult you before. I never make you go hungry one day before. So I classify myself as a good man and I deserve an award. I'll never yet give me an award. You know, give me no best father in your life because I treat
Look
myself getting nine
look here.
subject.
You're not a best father, but you're not bad either. I'm sure you said that you can do plenty more than what you're doing right now.
What plenty more we can do? We pay for your subject. Then what more we can do? Huh?
No.
What more can I do?
No.
If you know to prove me wrong, say you can achieve more than what I achieve.
Look here, me can't prove you wrong if you're not paying or given a chance or opportunity to prove it to you. You're stubborn and your head tough.
So if you take up money, no. You want to figure do it. Look where could I 9 subject then?
At the end of the day,
It's not.
it's more than money raise picnic in a Popeye. And that's material things. You have to talk to your daughter. You is a man.
Listen.
So if you talk to her about man version,
Listen.
me give her the woman version. Is more than material things.
Listen.
Oh.
I cannot sit down and talk to somebody that don't want to learn.
A lie. I know me
Right?
know say is a big liar. Though.
I willing to see to it that she get a good job, yes. But if she want to have a good life, right? She have to do what she had do on top it. If she a go, they go look the little young boy, they don't want nothing. That is the best thing I can advise to you. Young boy don't have nothing to offer more than babies. You're 18, you're big enough. You can get a man in your age and still survive, right? But if you take up a man about 22, 23, you'll have ups and downs. Because you alone can't satisfy him. But if you take up a sensible man, well, he not be educated, but he mind educated in no things, right?
Educated.
You can survive it.
I need that road and even know what chopper be make a boy a falling.
What should we spend in here?
Nothing shall listen.
Okay, shall listen. You take up a man well big enough and responsibility enough, right? You have some man don't want no baby. You have to take up a man when you sure know say if you breed, then you run. You understand me? I say?
True, you talk.
Because when your mother is pregnant, I could have taken up my 2 foot them in my hand and run. Because your mother was nagging. Yeah, you ain't nagging on them.
Which part me nagging?
You always say, well, oh, the baby want sardine, the baby want milk, the baby want burger, the baby want...
So the baby never have to eat, just come up big like cheese now. Which part of that nagging?
Right. And when the baby born, I'm saying, all right, all the milk and the supplement and the production done by your Bex. For a week, your Bex, you don't talk to me. Me cook, me see the food pull on scene, we agree the next morning. Yeah, me study you. And you know, me say, yeah.
This.
You start cherish me because you say me not run off left here. I could have run off because she was a burden. She knew more than me.
Nobody can yam more than you. Stop telling lie about me picnic. And let me teach you something. You see when you don't know your man. When woman pregnant and the baby call for certain foods, there's nothing a woman can do but yam it. Cause your body a cry for the certain food.
Yeah.
So we have to ask for it. And nagging that.
But not every time.
Not every time you have to eat.
Not every time you eat it today, you want it tomorrow.
So me have to eat tomorrow. The baby not have to eat the next day.
You cook.
Let's see ya.
And you make your daughter follow your footsteps.
Me would have proud if she follow my footsteps. I would just wish she get a better man. She would do better. You should do better than your mother here.
Me never did a plan to take
What
out
you
a man
want
like him.
say? Me not better man.
You better than some, yes.
No, me better than all man because when you get me paid.
Top fool yourself here.
No,
Top fool yourself.
me better than all man. When you get me paid, when I can check on you.
Pizza check. You think me an idiot? It is a promise. Let me tell you something.
listen to me.
Promise is a comfort to a fool, and me no raise no fool.
Right. Mommy, I'm going out here. I don't know if you want to continue arguing or anything, but
Me
I'm
not argue,
going.
me listen joke.
Fix me a cup of my milk.
You're lucky, sit down there and wait.
You know something? Put a roast card here too.
Put out what?
Alright.
Put out what?
You can't say my name on it.
Eh, wanna like. Chop. Okay now.
Hello.
You know, so something crossed my mind
What I don't know.
since we're talking. You is 18.
Mm-hmm.
You must have feelings.
Yeah.
You don't want a little boyfriend.
Wait, yeah, ask me if I have or yeah, ask me if I want.
Yeah, see, I wonder. Because even when them 16 and 15 and thing, you have feelings. Remember, says not long ago, I was young too, you know.
But guess what? I don't want any. I don't want none. And you see, I want to tell me, say they don't work my time and everything. And now guess what? I am not trying to be like you and my father. I am not trying to be like that.
Well, it's one thing to learn from your mistake.
As much as me fool, and slow in her life.
What we are talking about?
Me just hear the father name mentioned a while ago. What was that involvement in now? What me do now? What happened?
Well, your conscience, we just hear talk about man, and she say, I use you as example and me as example.
Listen,
So,
if you find a man like me, you find a good man. You find a man and I will breed you up like a guinea pig.
You're delusional, you see? You're full of delusions. You're full of delusions.
Talk to her. Sir. I need you to talk to her. Because I feel like at the ear, the way they put in her head, like she feel like she a big woman. How full time she got to work now, you know? She a 18 now.
who tell you say she not look work?
I'm chatting love chat, man.
Who tell if you talk, sit down and talk to Kana, not talk at her. Well, then you don't know what she do in her life. Try talking to her, Papa, not at her.
So if you sit down with my daughter talking about man.
Yes.
No, you have to
then
learn.
who else you gonna learn from? Me as a woman, me can talk to her about woman mistake. You as a man, you're supposed to guide her about what man and boys them do. Cause you know what man think.
Woman can know what a man is thinking.
Cause your mind reading now.
Uno have the fruit, you know.
That's psychic.
Uno have the gold mile. Right? But if me and you go on the road right now, who first to find a partner?
It depends. Someone want to girl out there too.
No. You.
Well, then I must.
You first.
Look
right?
at me. Of course, me can find one
Me
before
can
you.
pick up a girl and a girl can control me one cabinet. You can pick up a man and get mansion, house and properties and cars.
Then I must. I'm worth it.
Right. And that makes I sure you know. Say, I don't have to teach her. She have a knowledge, she knows if you don't pick up no broke pocket man like his father. You know, man, you know, really matter still. You can't watch the pocket. Because if I pocket you go watch, you have to go watch a 6'6". You understand? So you need to teach her, I say, some man only want what woman have. You're a woman and you're supposed to know that. Me not supposed to tell her that. And my daughter, me not supposed to talk to her about them slacks sitting there.
You see, you talk and she listen. And that me I talk. Me not talk so you have to draw a diagram or nothing. But sit down and reason with your child, man.
Let me turn up a reason. Me not even sit down.
Turn up, sit down, whatever, but reason with your daughter.
You see, out there in the world,
there are a lot of men like you.
Listen to your father. The one time he might try to talk to you, listen to him.
A lot of men out there going to try to sweet talk you. They're going to call you all kind of name. Baby, princess, honey, sugar, pie. They all call you by initial S or K. And you see them man there, them are general and liar. They only want to breed up people, girl picking it. We man, back in the days, in my days before me know your mother, I was a whore. I was flinging Jimmy all over the place. Until I book your mother and your mother give me the baddest wine. Me stuck right there, so. Sometimes I wish.
never did have to hear this.
That is cheap if I talk to you. Sometimes I wish.
Instead of talk to me, never did tell me about no wine in our hole, yo.
Me could have found another woman from she. So
which other woman but me? Which other woman? Yeah, look, you was talking before me and that was fine. After me, there is no more.
You see, I did get one grave. Me think if it top chat.
Listen what me have to know.
What?
In life, you have to learn to cook.
No, if you cook.
If you cannot cook, you now get a good man. You have to know if you wash. Not only the machine, if you run to every minute, you wash. A man likes when a woman comes to the club spanning underpants. Scoops. Right. You know, when you wash with the hand, I say, go, a long time I hear them nice again. Scoops. I say, go, right?
If you want to hear nice, you don't go wash yourself, then. Simple. You're just full of...
You know a man diet.
Oh, wow.
If you get him breakfast at morning time, you get him lunch at work, if you can cook it and you go to work, go give him. That's enough to buy them fast food there. In dinner, you have to know that if a man left 5 o'clock, you prepare everything from 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock. And when you know that a man drive out 5 o'clock, You start do the sketching up and warm it up. When him come, him get a nice, healthy, warm dinner. Then in the night, you carry a bowl of cereal
Me
come
think
give
you
him.
me think you have a nice move.
You see, so much I say, how them all get good man? Good man, I mean.
Oh, me no have to get no man. I me no want no man. Who tells me want man? You think me hungry? Me no hungry for man. You only think me hungry for money. Excuse
But
me.
you're not working towards it.
Who tell us so?
You're working towards it?
Yes, and
No.
you will see one day you go sorry say you wash down your mouth for me. Watch.
And you are go sorry say you never take a lesson when me I put in your head right now. Go on.
That they are no lesson at all.
You should have sit down and teach her that, you know. I was playing hard to get when you there look me. I did look me.
Which part? Tell the story right. Me never run down man yet.
No, you
Man run me down for what me have on my brains and my body. And you was the same.
the amount of drink where you buy me.
Eh?
The amount of drink where you give me. Alcohol, one top of alcohol just to get me number. Just to get me number.
You have a false memory.
And the clothes you gonna buy for 30,000. I never buy that in my life. Just to get
You
a
never
engagement
know a
ring, eh?
good woman till you meet me. Eh? You don't know nothing about good woman till
Plenty
you
out
meet
there.
me.
Plenty out there.
Try one of them while you're there with me and see. Safe. Well, good man out there. Oi.
Kuya, where you do my spot?
Which spot?
The right here, so. What else?
You never know say a spot, yes, sir.
Of course, you have
You have papers to write, yes, sir.
Me have it, but government no give me yet. Wait, me soon get my papers. Man.
You know,
Where you there, so I do?
spot the
Don't tell me
panda.
see me, I'll come back only away. Cause if I hit, look here.
I know, sir. Are you me there
Yeah,
wait, pan?
you know how shame?
Shame for. If me try and fail, me try again.
I go feel again.
No say that, man. No
I
say
know,
that. I
I'm
believe in
telling you,
myself.
Yeah, you believe in yourself at the wrong time. Simple.
But anyway, me not there on a long talking, cause I don't really know chase me come here for chase. I just the number me want and that would make me even go good.
You want my number? Alright. What you want my number to do?
We can text my WhatsApp.
Me don't have WhatsApp.
What you have?
You can call me on strip hard.
Alright, me always have credit. Put in a number.
If me answer you, just don't say nothing. No? If me not answer you, just don't say nothing. You sure you want it?
Of course.
Alright.
Like you have money.
No,
Yeah.
you put it in. You don't want to touch your phone, then you go just from.
Alright, give me it.
876
Mm-hmm.
12
Mm-hmm.
34
Yeah.
56 7.
I'm by a longy man.
No, look on it. 12 so the one 34 56 7 plus the area 4 that make it extra long.
So yo, one for serious.
No, see me anything where you like. You could ever say future.
Me I go serious slimmers.
Sure. Anything work over.
So anyways, what you mean by if me call and you know, answer me not say nothing?
Cause I don't answer phone. I don't really like people bothering me. So if you call me, I'm not answer you. You just work with it. If me block your circle.
So what your attitude for?
Look here, Marganis. You better where you live. You better ever take your. If you did not go somewhere, think you have to go. So if you did not go down somewhere,
So you're fat?
Me never did tell you I'm fat.
Oh, so we are called Marganis, me?
Then you know, Marga.
And the two when I said what?
Oh no, I'm fatter than you. Look, they make you see your vein them through your skin. You can't
All
see
me
that
have to
part.
tell her, just make sure so when me call you, me get you.
You not get me. Go on.
You know hear about the money
You
well
don't
and what
hear
you.
about it. I don't want to go on your ways. You chat too much for me.
How do you know, bro?
Alright, pretty.
Yeah, man, you know so look slimmers up here, so you always on the bamboo tree. You know how me attack?
I'm not sure.
Brown man and him kind of short, slim.
Yeah, I think I know how.
You know say about 2 times now me pull on Panari and he come like me get through this time now cause me get a number.
I'm going through them, man. I see him, so me I'll try for one thing, you know. But she a play hard in, man.
I know one me a try for.
I don't know which one I try for. Me know me a try for one.
She a braid.
Which girl nowadays now have bread?
She have been braid in her ear now. Red and black.
Yeah, she have inbreed. She have inbreed.
What color? Red and black?
Nobody look on her here, but me see black.
Oh, you see black.
Yeah,
Probably
but-
I want different one still. Cause I can't even me I try off for you try off.
Yeah, but me a try for but she a play then with me. You see me, but me I go check her still. I don't really want a woman, you know. Just want a one beat and I know I go
I
girl.
said thing me I look out for this one or two. After me no want no girl for you spend no money with or spend no money for you mad. Just one knock anytime you get this one knock me gone. Me just
man.
want to hopefully say yo the work out when me get the one knock.
But as you true, me a pressure her no more. She feel like say me want her. I don't really want her.
That me I do cause me just get her number. Pressure me I go pressure her
I
you
just
know.
want her one and go. You see me?
Call on her phone and text it on her some style. She said she no use WhatsApp so me would have to call her straight.
Alright then you do what you have to do. You know, me there I go and see if me can go up on the line and see what they go on. You see me?
Like do right bro. Me I go
Alright. Wish you good luck, bro.
bro, same to you.
Watch out. Huh? Huh?
What?
You know what me I walk and look for where you come out of
Where you
here?
walk and look for me for me last?
Listen me. Not because you're 18, right? You tell yourself say you're a big woman. Me tired to tell you. From you reach 16 I say, Daddy, me reach the age of content now, me must get and go out. What me say to you say, when you're 22, 23, that's the time that you're big. That's the time that you're adult. And when you're 25, they go up, you can't think if you have a child. You understand what I'm trying to say? Mm-hmm. You can't have yourself all over the place. Next thing people go say, me see a daughter come out of man yard down there. Then me see a daughter
I
left a
want
man.
to find you. Me see me daughter come out of man yard. Me say, me not interested in a man. Me not interested to find a man. I want to go me there right up there so I want idiot to come to me about number. I better never guess the number when making for show you how they dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Me just say it and double the number them. So me say 12. How much that? 12 count. How much 12 be? 1, 2, 34, 3, 4, 56, 5, 6, and it's 7. I'm not interested.
So, you feel like what you are doing is very nice. You better tell a man you don't want
Me
him.
tell him and him insistent, so me just give him a number for
Oh no,
put him
young
on.
girl, you know. You see what you don't know? You go around and promise boy people things.
Me never promise this
Take
one.
their money or anything when they go to clothes, food or anything. And take their money, sweet them up, talk them. Next week, me see you. Okay, if something come give you. Next week come, oh, for the pump period. The other week come, oh, mommy, no, I'm left here today. Oh, no, you don't do them something that they put in 6'6". You can't think for tech.
Me not take nothing from the boy. How much time I'm gonna say? Me not take nothing from him.
So I'm interested to take your number.
You someone say to yourself, the girls have the golden mine. But I guess what? It may be some golden mine. But what? The same mine lockdown is shit. No, do the figure way.
You can go and make them push barrel through your mind, and take
No
up.
barrow can push through
And
this
take
mine.
up
This
with them and
mine,
take up.
this is key of your block.
I want him till you say no. No, baby, nah, come in my house.
Me
Whether
no want no
I'm
pitney.
born
Me
or
nah do
born.
nothing to get a pitney.
Yeah.
I know some feel like I try wash them up and me not bring me down.
Me?
Yes, you every day. Oh, you go find pitney. You go your man. You go man. this
No,
and
you don't understand it. I tell you, mans are like dogs. We men are
Me know
like
say man
dogs.
a dog. Me live with you. Me live with one. Me know say man a dog.
We tell you a street story. When you get in a little cookie and we feel good, we're gone.
Me know that.
I will teach you something how man tan. Man, you call on your phone, you know. Write you and text on your phone the most. And I say, one thing get where under your foot, then start text less.
What slippers?
Then start call less. You
I
call the
don't-
way you
don't
want to
have
call
my
it.
foot in
You
it.
man call the way you want to call it. Then start text you less. Then stop call you often. You know, a man call you 24/7, you all up and call 2 hours till the digital or flow. Cut off, you call back again. Oh, baby, sorry, it reached 2 hours, cut off. What you say? Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, yes. Then there's something there. Me I talk about
Me
how.
already know. Me know. Mommy make sure I ring them in my neck. Me know.
Okay, good. Because when you used to talk to your mother, you know.
You normally do holy part.
I call her whole heap of time. I text her. How when me there work, the amount of job when me lose. If you text your mother, I hope me then get the gold mile later. And the moment me get it,
Your game bun. Me know you have to tell me. No.
no, I never give her a bun. I just try to give her
Sleep
the
a
whole.
road. That you do. Then
The
you
whole-
sleep a road.
What? What you talk about?
What you say? You think say we no know? Yeah, all the night when you try come to a bathroom window cause the rest of window and the door them did lock. You think we never see you? And mommy deliberately put that there so when you can feel say man when you get up a hole of yourself a scratch you can rub something with a scratch up on the window so anytime you climb up you scratch you.
Okay. Wait till I go home.
So you know, go on.
Go on.
Me a stay, yes, so. Me a stay.
Wait till I go home.
Yeah, go on.
I soon come back.
Where you do you, so? Where you do you, so?
They are throw 2 dice. That's the shop lock.
That me a say. Either way, so shop me did come. I can't remember your way.
You know you must have passed.
Who I mean by?
Yes, you give such man a number.
Oh, you want it to?
Yeah, give me now.
Yeah, me give it to man. You ready?
Yeah.
12 34 56 7. Yes. Call it right now. I don't have my phone.
I don't know this.
What do you mean by no
I
number?
want to sell.
Exactly, I hit him get and I hit you get. So when I know you chat about no this or no that. And that they him get and that them I get. You can't tell me nothing. Maybe here for me and behave.
So you tell me say I know the number you give.
No, that they him get.
Yeah, I'll be fair then. Try.
Yeah, try with what?
Yeah, that's your dice. So. Go on, shake 2 dice with me.
Feel why?
6 3 times I give you a number.
Sure, go on. 6. 2, you're alright, your chance done. Me see it already, what you try to do?
So we get 2 out of 1.
You're still 2. You're not getting it.
So I go do.
Yes, me
I
good.
don't think about it and give me a chance.
No, no. Where you have to offer? What you bring to the table?
For me have responsibility, I can't look work. Can't look work and tell me a chopper.
That not enough. Well, you continue to go chop your grass. You maybe find a worm in there where you want everything.
I work for money, I can't make it, you know. But anyways, you say you're not giving a chance any good.
Yes. No, I'm going to my yard.
Alright.
Yes.
Well, good, yeah.
I'm doing it.
Come here, get 3 6
Shut.
Gotta find some more Cersei seed. Them are good for eat, man. What happened? This one not so good. Yeah, man, it hot for true. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, do it, sir.
Nourish my body. And nourish my body.
Mommy, guess what? I have a piece of joke to give you.
You always want
When you're
joke.
at a road and one boy come to me, but okay, get a number and guess which number I give him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm taking.
Yes, he didn't even know.
Dear me, dear. You have to test man more time.
Then don't say even know. Anyway, you see that black boy I'm going to with? If I ever hold him anywhere, I go and rockle him. You know what I do?
What?
See me over there, shake ice.
Yes.
And he said $3,600. Me throw me $360. Me can't see the $100 run off. Trick me about $600 this time. Make me go look. I'm gone. But anything, you see what take up man like a them there?
No.
Me hold your and strangle you so. You hear? You understand?
Yes.
Not if your mother will birth you. Can't look at me and say nothing. Because I alone spend. From me know your mother never work, you know.
Stop chat farts.
The only-
Me not work me on my own business. Stop chat farting at the girl ear roll.
Yeah, she have her
Me have
own
my own
business.
business. Profit better than wages. Oh.
And she wouldn't even hire me.
If you don't hire you neither, you don't just come mash up my company. They say couples are relative and family enough to work the same place.
No, wrong. Me attract 2 tourists on the beach and sell the cap them also. Me can't angle that. Even the art craft them, me can't angle that. You see, I leave with the mirror. Me could have make a board, one little board and cut one piece of mirror and put in there and design it properly and tell the tourists them say, the future of showing them richness. Every time they're looking at it.
Me don't think nobody.
So why you not do it? Look how long the broken glass today. I come on, I chat farts.
See what
Do
me
it
say
then,
to
the
you?
man.
And in a hire me. No matter how me try.
You can't walk on the
hire me.
beach. You
What year
have to go.
What year before you're 18, they lose my job and Mr. Teen say, honey, You know, things say, we can't go there go sell 2 things here. Oh no, you're gonna rob me. You're gonna rob me. That's all she said. Me, I gonna rob her. Look for me as an honest man. We only thief 2 slices of the bread before me reaching the yard. That's all. We only take out 2 slices out of the bread before me carry the whole of bread.
My daughter.
So stingy.
My
She
daughter.
always call the slice of the bread.
You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason.
No.
You use your ears and then confess and tell you everything.
Because we take 2 slices out of the bread and eat. The woman have a problem. You should have come home first. You don't eat it on the road. So, is another 2 slices you want? No, you might boil me up. I mean, I like that, my daughter. I don't like that. I love your mother for a
man
reason.
up then, man up. If you my boy you up, your man up.
I am man up.
Show him say you can be a man. If you did act like man, should and treat you like her.
I stopped drinking rum because of her.
Kiss with you. That's a man up.
I stopped smoke because of you.
Well, you never did have a top. That's not a man up.
No. I am
Man up
responsible for
anytime
you.
you say, alright, baby, you have to work hard for the rest of your life. Me work and take care of you. If anything you want me buy you, them days man up, you're not manning up.
So, me figure
Yeah.
work out myself. Say me a man up. To maintain your mother fully.
Yeah.
That's for me, jackass.
You're damn right, you're donkey. I'm going for them.
Never mind.
Are you a teacher
Me
and
no
them from
need
there?
me no need you for mind me. Me I mind myself from your 15-year-old.
You encourage your picnic to go and get a job. Me alone can't fly. My wing is very tired. Me cannot fly for long. She 18 now. It's either she can find a man with a big house and big property and stay there and live comfortable. So when me and you sick and old, she can come help me.
Hey, let me tell you something. Me, I don't know about you, but me raise kind of do better than you and me put together. She no need no man for maintain her. Me not say she no want her boyfriend. I want a husband in the future. But me raise kind of be independent like a me. If you was to turn your roll and roll JJ 69 anytime now, me know so me can't eat my belly full. And me
What you
can't.
call independent?
If you roll 69 right now, me can still yam, drink and shit.
Your thing say independence is living here and survive after your mother and father is independent. Independent when you push your own door.
And that me a talk.
Once you push your own door key and you steer your own steering, you're independent. You see, once you still live in a rent house and still have to borrow from this and borrow from this, you're not independent. And they say Jamaica independent. We're not independent, a liar.
And the biggest
Because
independence is your mind.
We cannot help it to say we're independent. Eh? Independent people still look at the rich. You think the rich never eating mackerel? No. They take you feed them dog and them puss. We go check my bridging them and go to them mansion and them party. And how we see them live lavish steak, pork chop, chicken leg, wings. Then the man don't eat anything. They use chicken breast, make pasta. You see how they curry chicken breast. They make pasta with it. Then the man don't eat chicken back neither. Me not see no. Me I walk around and say, where chicken back there? He say, come here, let me show you.
Dog food.
Dog food.
Dog food, man, me know.
Dog food, and right now he say, call me and say, hey, I'm gonna give you a work. I'm gonna buy a couple bag of CB mixed parts and you cook it for my dog. I was like, what? The backside, the man tell me, say,
What say all work him a give you for cook for dog?
yeah, cause I'm gonna fly out, but you know what I'm planning to do. I'm planning to replace back one eye bag of mixed parts, a bag of box of chicken back. You think I eat that? You don't think say me, I go cook chicken, the dog? You're mad.
That's why I love you, you always make me laugh.
Me? Buy a box, me I go to Mr. Chin, go borrow it, I trust it. Take up back the bag of chicken. Me must sell the back and make a money.
Aye.
You know, idiot. How much you want back of a chicken back? For 4,000 and less. So me, I gotta do the right thing. Me not do like a you know. Me not do like a you are more stingy. Me not do them something there.
No, me move right.
No,
and
me
me make sure so my meds right and up. Me not have to look back at me.
Alright. Alright, remember somebody talk to you. Can't say me name, man.
When you talk sense,
You
me
cook.
will listen.
You cook.
You give me nothing for cook. You're lucky, so me love you. Food in the kitchen. You're lucky.
You love me, you know. You love me.
Remember, say you love me too. Popeye, you always there on the phone, man.
Me have to pay attention to my phone. Just then send out the school bus now. See there? Then send out it. And I'm like, listen, you move away. I mean, I understand it's selfish.
Selfish how?
Yes, because you're jealous over me and my phone.
Me not jealous. Me just say you use always up on the phone. What happened to me? What happened to Kena? The only time you talk to me is when you give out.
Me have pay attention to the Prime Minister them. They are sending out the bus for the kids them can travel on the bus. Sometimes I wish my daughter is still in a school.
But she's not.
Should have the benefit of a little free bus
Yes,
them.
but she's not. Before you look for how she can benefit in life and get a job or start a business. Your business with school picnic now? Alright, it's good that them get it. But what they have to do with this house?
You move like the people them at Portland now, you know. You move like the people them at Portland. The woman fix the road. Give them road. Good road where we don't have yes so. No man get out of the road in Ireland, yeah. Yeah, when no Prime Minister, no Minister, no business with this, I'm not talking about the Prime Minister because he won. He can't go over the 14 parish. Me I'm grateful, let me take it back. When the MP, right, come to the area and they never once fix the road, right? And then come here for vote. You see how they come in and brawling and bowling? And you know, I know. Not even mall. You see no mall on the road?
A paper told me, see.
Right, paper toll. Nothing. And the woman, Vals. Miss Vals, right? Anne-Marie Vals. Fix the road up there, give them and the ungrateful people them vote for the other man. Tell me now. Me try to show you, say, mankind is very selfish.
Mankind, yes, that's true.
You in our era so long on our road. And a woman in there for 6 years on their road. And this is the thanks I give her.
What type of election so not about?
No, me talk about listen. If you call say me and your mother in the House of Parliament, right? And me in the long time and me fix the road, right? Give them road. And still I work right through for the 6 years. Road, pant up a road. And your mother now, just coming to Parliament. You would have vote for her?
No, for why?
Okay.
I vote for one of me used to. Besides, whenever that me come in here, I come in here for tell no, so I go look up work. I go try to look at job because I feel like me need it now. But I get for what so it is.
Yeah, but you need it for two, you're needy.
You know, for chatting because you need Jesus, you need deliverance. That you know.
Who need deliverance?
You need Jesus in your life.
You see, I look around, you know.
You don't want Jesus. Everybody need Jesus, but you need him more.
Well, my daughter, I'm proud of you. What kind of work you look?
Man work.
Shut up. What kind of work you look?
But for now, I go look one nice work. I don't know if I can get none in a supermarket or what, but yeah, I go try look one work in a supermarket.
Well, aim high, my daughter. Aim high.
Yes.
And always
because we
aim.
all gotta start from somewhere. Like your mouth, no matter chat. No good knock mouth your mouth.
Alright, remember say still your father.
Yes.
Aim high. Aim high to where?
Aim high, because when you aim for the moon, even if you miss, you're still amongst the stars. Never aim low, aim high. That me a teacher.
You like your confidence.
Of course. Daughter, let me pray for you.
Yeah, touch me. Let me touch up because you need it.
Heavenly Father, as we come before you, Jah, giving you thanks and praise for my daughter, my wonderful daughter, my one and only. As she go and walk on the road and look work, protect her, Lord. Protect her from the wolves on the road. Protect her from the car, them and danger. And make she, me know see you give her words, but make she have the extra words to impress the boss then. And make them give her the job. And good job too, no pion job. I pray in your name and your name alone. Amen.
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 Yes. Okay.
So you still the pan phone. You mean to say you didn't really the pan phone when me a pray? Me not even hear you say no amen or nothing.
Amen to who?
To the phone. I'ma say the phone you pray to when you pray.
The only way I said amen is when you pray for something is good. I don't hear you pray something is good. Did you pray for me? No. I never heard you pray for me. So what I'm going to say amen for? You never give me the prayer. You give to somebody else. Right?
And you talk about other Jamaican selfish. For your own picnic, papa. Me a pray for protection and guidance for your picnic. I come from your back. Me and your picnic. Me a pray for guidance and protection and good luck for. Huh? Should me not call your name?
Anything you say, yeah. I go for the road. Anything you say, yeah?
Me not pray for you though.
Oh, okay. So you pray for who not help pay bills. And me, when they have pay bills, you don't pray for me.
You know, say if your name not in it, then you not say amen. So if my name not in it, me not say amen.
Alright, you want pray for somebody pay for the light and the water bill and the Wi-Fi bill because I am paying for it.
Are you one?
And me go sell the TV.
Are you one?
No worry.
Are you one? Bring everything in.
Alright.
Me never start my business and put shirt on your back. Go long. Too damn miserable. Sure. I'm so sad.
Yeah, again.
So you know plan to give me a chance. Maybe not ask for a chance from ever since.
I remember access now. You want a chance, right?
What you mean?
My mother said there's some things I'm to make sure a man must do before or qualify for do before I look even for give them chance. You ready?
So what that?
Right, the first one, you have a stable job, office work. You have that?
Can't get that.
Oh, you can't get that. Alright, fair enough. Next one, you have a strong job and give me 30.
Eh?
You have a strong job and give me 30.
Me not consume my food.
You're not
watch out now.
Alright. Wait, no, me done now. Alright, you see last qualification, you know? You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, listen.
Yeah.
Alright, wait till the bike you pass more to hearing. Good, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, wait. Alright, you see next qualification? You have to be able to eat the coochie. You do that?
What?
You eat the coochie?
Which coochie?
The vajayjay, the one that the ladies piss out of.
No. Keep it. Me no bother want to. I don't bother want to.
Ah, poor thing. Alright, I joke,
no.
a prank. Alright.
Eat coochie.
You pray?
Yeah, I pray to my God.
Alright, the next one now, you have to carry half a milk and give me and show me say we take care of me. Come lazy, you know?
That alone?
Yeah. Can half a milk.
Use it.
Alright, then so go on now.
Go
Go on now, come now.
Alright.
Yeah, mat sit up. Crazy.
Slimmers.
What
God,
you
I'm
need?
too get up there, though. You know me not understand those Slimmers. The number you give me there, you sure I did the right number?
Me no idiot. Unless if I hear idiot and you put in it wrong.
No, man, me not think say I'm putting it wrong. You sure, man? So me I call you and can't get you.
Well, no. Me say you might call me and you don't get me. Me tell you before. You come
So
like you never
a
believe.
style thing you depend Slimmers.
With style thing.
And you know man want you and thing and you style out the thing. Come like you know hear much money me have a come down.
Alright, okay, you want me?
Me no must want you.
Prove yourself then. Do 3 something for me.
For that.
Maybe get me visa by mountain. Buy me a house over foreigner over in a Jamaica. And then you come here and give me make me say now half a mil. Cause half a mil can give me in my hand right now.
That at least man.
Alright, so if I at least go and go back take me away from.
That at least me not have the money for me I know, but me
Alright, so go and go get it. Me I go still turn up right here.
Alright, don't move.
Me not move. Idiot.
Like mother, like daughter. Where you do on the road?
Come back here, so man. You
Where-
don't match
where-
up my business.
Which business? Which business? Look at y'all. Now walk you tell we say you go look. Now
So
walk.
when me just say a while ago,
I
you way
see
match
it,
up
me say,
my
no.
business.
That's why I never say amen because the devil is a liar. Eh? I saw me know you're careless. You sit down for your 9 subject, them a do. Nyam
But
Guinea.
Mr. By any idea, yes, me with $1 million.
Listen me.
Bet no! Say bet no. Say bet no.
Listen me not ramping with you.
Say bet no.
Because you know,
Say bet no, make you rest. That's a say bet no.
if me bet you today, and you know, at that the $1 million that me put out your backside, if your mother say something to me put she out too.
Two, yes. But say bet.
Because you're careless.
Say
All
bet.
you want to do, I live under my roof and yam out the food, and yam out this, and get up. You not to wash the sheet the way you sleep on. Eh? The only thing we see you do, I wash out the few little clothes. Each time you come out of one clothes, you wash them like, and then pile up.
So what you want them pile up for?
No, you not even wash my clothes them neither. Me have whole heap of dirty clothes
What you
over
want
there.
man for?
And you and your mother supposed to wash it. One wash, one
Me never
rinse.
hear about that the one day.
A picnic shall make them father well clean and happy.
A father shall let them kid appear happy and well clean. That is the father's job. Anytime you all land up on your shit bed, they may take care of you and everything. But for now, make it rest. You have strength, you have life, you have whole heap of strength. You
No.
can cuss and go on.
Listen, when me sick, I don't want you to take care of me.
Me say shit bed, me never say sick bed, shit bed. S-H-I.
Alright, when me lie down on the bed and can't move, me no want you to take care of me. All the thing I want you to do is wash my clothes. How you made to clean me up? Me no want you clean me up. Me no want you see how me look. Make somebody else do it. Not you, not you. You can clean up your mother because you're a female. Female know what female have. But woman don't really know everything what a man have because every man carry a different rifle.
Oh, that Miss Carol give up tree, and I'm giving up on it.
That's all, you see?
What?
When knowing a man say, I know money out here way pan. A henka and a thief people give them tree. That's all your mother
Oh,
brought
but
you.
you for dead woman things. Answer the question.
Me see where me money go. Me see it.
Yeah.
Me see it.
Right.
Look a girl, all me I
Big
tell her
man.
say.
Me just make it bet no. By any idea, you go see me with $1 million. And you see if you don't believe me, I go just prove you wrong.
Alright, NT you say.
Hold a roll, I go back on the
NT
woman
you say, yeah?
Guinea tree. Yeah.
Yeah, one me I get 6.
Daddy, with.
What go on?
Must have been check early on, bro, and I never see you already there.
Oh, me need up on the road, man.
Oh, that game now.
Say the pan.
You know, say, said brother, me link you with what here. Tell me, say, yo, you want a piece of money for me, can knock her, you want 3 business to deal with. But me not have no money, I know. You don't know what
Say no, say the same thing me there I go through.
Hey,
Yeah,
how much joke you make?
yeah. Right now, sister one piece of money over there. I got see me can take and give her.
So me cannot go for.
Me I go for it.
So you wait pan.
So go for it, man.
Here we though. Go for me could use it and knock your girl.
No, me can't do that. Me don't know how much money over there.
Alright, here we now. You do it, you go for money, and you knock her and make me video. You just call me and me video so me can blackmail and get some too. And you can get back your money.
You know, say I sent you touch it.
You can
Just
get
see
back
me
your
dog.
money.
Yeah, dog. So, can use it, use it.
Yeah, you just call me.
Yeah,
And make sure you call me, you know, bro.
Yeah, man. You have sent, man.
Make sure you call me.
Yeah,
And
sent.
me video it too. Or me give you a phone, me can set up a big camera in your house.
Yeah, man.
And,
Yeah, man.
make me have it.
Yeah,
so me
sense.
can blackmail it.
Yeah, sense.
And we continue knock it up.
Alright.
Because she not want to go public, you know. So,
Eh?
she not want to go public, you know.
Oh, yeah, for true.
So, yo, go for your money now, no allow game now, bro.
Coffee money now.
Go for your money. Now we try something.
Alright, me I go take my
I hope
knock.
that's all wait for me, you know.
Oh, me I go take, alright. Come back, you know.
Good.
See it there.
We are turn up out so long and my back a hot me.
Like where you sit down.
No, not really.
Alright, come on, man. Ready?
Me a go me yard. Me want cut a shit.
Eh?
Me want cut a shit. Me a go me yard.
Say you're not.
No, me feel like my period just come. Me so come. Wait on me. We just wait 5 minutes. I need to cut a shit and put on a pad. Wait 5 minutes. Clap down your tree and clap down your head, back, clap and turn my
Wait a minute. I tell you now, this morning, I 2 minutes there house up on the road, you see there, you know. When I come home early. This morning, me see your daughter turn up out the road. But she a hustle, she have money, I come in. Me tell you, me tell you, I pack up in backside.
Hold on, hustle with what?
I don't, oh,
Hustle with what?
who me?
No, where she a hustle at?
Me don't know.
Oh, you don't know where she a do. And she tell you say she leave forget.
Me have a
And you don't know where she a do.
Me have a feeling.
Out.
No, me have a feeling to tell him I sell him body, you know. Me I put him out. Me now give it 9 subject and then come and sell him body, them precious body where they can get mansion rose rice, rice. You can't, what they call it?
Before you put out nobody approve.
I have proof. I see her on the street. I see her. And that's how me used to, when me didn't know you, me used to, but girl, the song get a 1 and 2 knock off it.
Oh,
But anyway.
so true, you used to do the wrong bang. So, for when you see with daughter stand up there, she must have do the same thing.
Don't
as
worry
you.
your head, me,
Eh?
wait, I can pack up.
You-
Yeah, wait. Me on the backside. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something.
Hello, my dear mother. This is for you. You can count it.
Where this come from?
You tell me some if I find one man will give me money, I'll take care of me, right? So I tell him, say, I give him 3 tests. And you see, if him can pass the 3 tests,
I'm going to
then
show you.
him
I'm
can
going
there. Yeah.
Sorry,
With
you
daughter.
was saying.
With daughter.
Yes. Me give him 3 tests.
Eh.
And I say, if he can carry, let maybe 1 mil come or 500,000 anything, then me and him can there.
So hold on. So what you have to do to get that the money, my daughter?
We don't do nothing.
We don't
Just
business.
tell him,
We don't
hold on,
business.
move it
No, you
on.
ain't gonna put her out.
When?
You know have no daughter no
I
more.
saw that the
You
band
gonna
did
put
that.
her
No,
out.
no, me daughter, no. And the
Alright,
girl.
I garbage you did that carrot.
Yeah.
Here, this is for carrot garbage. Yes. As me I say now. Me tell him say me I give him 3 tests. And if he can pass them, then me and him can talk. We never say nothing more. Now they said done.
Now buy yourself, you know. Cause when man give money, them try to take own it.
No worry, me tell him say me the palm period. You want an next break, mama? Yes.
Lord of God!
Why?
You never get 9 subject for nothing. Wanna hear
My
that?
daughter this.
Right. Right, yes,
Me wasn't
No, it can't waste. It can't waste.
Me would never put you out, my child.
Right,
Me
unlike
always,
somebody.
I tell you what, can you feed me and everything? You can't mean in this world.
don't mean in there.
Hold that.
Alright, I say
That's
this
my
now.
share.
This year, I have to do back your hair.
What?
Yeah. A long time, you know, do pedicure and manicure, so they may have to do it.
Baby, no, you have to invest your money.
No,
Don't
me
squander your
me have
money.
over 200 me left. Me have over 2. Me feel a whole heap more. Look in that bag, ma. Me a whole heap in there. See it, the look. Yes. Couple more bricks in there.
Invest it, though. Don't waste it.
Yes.
Put it up and invest it in Bitcoin or
Yeah, do your
something.
toenail.
All right, done with the money now. Me have plenty.
Mommy,
Invest
chill
your
now, chill
money.
Chill now. Take yourself
A
and
fool
buy
and
yourself
his
a
money will
dress.
soon depart.
Remember a long time
Stop
you don't have
giving
no.
now.
Mommy, stop going like your mad somebody now.
Yes, give
Where
your
you
father a
want,
little
yeah?
piece. Can me still your father? Let me still your father, baby. Let me still your father.
Right. You miss to my father. You don't want the money at your throw in your titty.
If may I put it close to my heart. Close to my heart, may I put it?
Alright.
So-
Let me stay close to you.
So, it's all right funny.
Wow.
Me work so hard to put you in your mother back
Yes.
and make you come in her belly.
Which
Right?
part you work hard for that?
Yes,
Suffer.
night and day, right?
Remember say you drop asleep and
And you look for your
working.
father and give me the loose money, right? And
Give it back. No, you not go loosen on my bag. Yeah, give it back.
and give mother a Kyle. Plus you count out, look a few frackers a while and the frackers olive and get watch my dance. And in there I crucify you. I crucify you.
You tell me say you go put me up.
You
Me
see
didn't
what
hear
happen
you.
when
Give
you
me it
talk
back, then it's
to
loose.
your children and don't talk at them? And don't accuse them.
So I tell you, I tell my
And
daughter. I tell you, I tell my daughter.
Selwa.
You're gladly taking money, you know where you get it from?
You
So
give
you're
product,
gladly
you
taking
give
no.
product, so she
You
don't
taught
sell
me
them.
right.
I TV.
Yes, and if not are you people, them I can't kill. No, I'm not right.
Hi.
So sorry.
Nobody call them the things down.
Alright, God forbid it.
So you pray for them.
No.
Yeah, pray
And you
for them.
come here with your foolishness and stupidness and I can't bother with it. So if you don't want it, it's always
No,
come
it's
back to
fine.
the provider.
It's fine.
Okay, it's fine.
It will do me good.
Right, I know.
Anyway you get more, go back there.
Yeah, then I'll go back.
Yeah, anyway you get it.
Yes,
And you know,
spoil on yourself with that.
where you do? You're so greedy. Where you do?
Well, a woman, my name.
Anything what me I say, hear me I say
Yes.
now. My daughter. You feel free to do anything you
I
want.
want, yes. Me know,
Anything.
man.
When
You're
you
my
reason, don't lose yourself. Now
Yeah,
follow your
me know,
father.
me
You're
Not
my
your killing tea.
You're my number one daughter.
I'm your only daughter.
Yeah.
Yes. So top sing number one. You have no more picking it.
The money you give me I know. I feel
Take
like
care, spoil yourself.
no, I feel like we can replace your mother soon.
Yeah, replay. Me no matter you not correct for now. My
No,
titty big.
baby.
My chest
Come
high.
here.
Which baby?
So you feel like you want to give me something for the
Yeah,
all.
man, me feel like me want
No,
to
no, listen. Come.
Come, me give me the doctor order me now.
Come
Me give you something now.
No, man,
Me
come
give you
on.
something now.
Look how me always at work at night time. Even last night, me give you something, you know, pay me.
Give me.
Remember saying I don't spend
Between
money.
me, you and God, and me have to work hard, me still a sweat. Lord God, me back a hot, me how me have to whine and grind and walk him. Eh? And you come too quick, man. You come too quick.
Hello!
You come too quick.
Hello, baby. You see them the long running day when me used to do back then? It done. First man come win, you know.
No.
Once me come, me alright. Because
Buy
you see,
some
Uno,
strong back. Buy some steam fish, your daughter. Buy some okra and steam fish
when it is
and
young,
strong back.
when it is younger, what you used to do me? I'll say, come, you lay down and sleep.
Which part? Your false memory, woman can't done a woman me name.
Alright.
Me gonna shop with my bread.
Anything you want to do with a business.
Daughter, give me your.
No, she can't come back. I say shit, someone. There, see there.
Bro, say you do it.
What?
Say knocky girl and even call me for me video it.
You made the knocky girl that bad and so, but I know how long she left me and say, brother, carry money come give you and the girl gone with me money. Girl tell me say, at 4 hours now me there say, you know. Girl there so about from 12:30 and now 4 o'clock.
I lie I tell him, I lie.
And I lie me I tell. The girl gone with the money, brother. Me carry a big bag of money come.
Brother, I lie I tell brother, you finna
The girl tell me say she have belly cramp. Feel like her monthly. And woman gone down the road tell me, so come back. All now, you know what I'm there, so sit down. You know what I'm there, so.
So a trap you get trap. You get
Me I tell you
scam.
say girl gone with the money, brother.
Yeah,
I hold
babe.
up money, me can't come give girl.
How much so?
A US, me can't come give girl in the youth. US, brother.
Say now
Girl tell me
report it
say
to
want
in
$500,000.
Then I report it to the nearest police station.
Then the man laugh off of me, brother, I idiot. I never my money.
Boy, you're salt, you know boy.
So now me, I'm here
Yo,
still, so
you
I
want to
throw away.
wash off. You and your sister look more for your money.
She now knows me. Go and go see if you can get a child. Go on. No, wait no more longer for now. Make you go on with it.
Yeah, my daughter. Me like, oh, you remember me and feel for your father, but me not like, but you give your mother the two big old cry.
You know, like, see black people have anything for a long time.
So, where you carry your test for?
No, I don't know for tell back I mean, I don't know why I don't know I stay in the yard. Me personally say me I come back and sit down back right here because right here is my lucky spot.
Are you looking for?
Are you lucky spots?
Yeah.
Kaka.
Yes.
Right, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Man is still
Okay.
joke ya.
Eh?
Come down you like man.
What do you mean by me like? What you talk about?
I want man say like me. And me tell him say in other thing they with me and have to pass the test and he carry the money go give me.
Okay. That's what you call that a lucky spot.
Yes, because
You
I
and
hear
your
some
mother go and
house.
hustle right here, so. You know, hustle enough, yeah, baby. Hustle enough. This will make me top work for people. No.
Pimp your turn now.
Huh?
I pimp your turn now.
Why sense? Me, I go people 9 to 5 work, go bust out my shot. Am I that? You know what money when me change out that?
How much
You
money
know-
I get?
Eh?
How much money I get?
I want to tell you what's this time talk about
Cabo shot years, yeah.
$1 million.
How can you there? Cause I complain. Be grateful.
Wow, I'm proud of my daughter.
I know me not see you take your daughter out for dinner.
I
Eh?
do get 3 million. I add because you can get the lose up one of them.
Where you count my money for, Papa?
Eh?
You say thank you to your picnic. You
You
treat
never
her.
or nothing.
Huh?
Thank you.
You
Come up to
treat
say
her.
thank
Now
you.
you know thank you.
Thank you, my daughter.
That's some
Thank
know you not
yeah.
know manners.
Thank you, my daughter. Okay, then get to daddy more, yeah?
Sure.
Kuya.
sure.
What you do
Yeah.
best?
I'm
Kuya.
doing.
No.
So hold on, tell me something. You should never get a man and get the bag of money come.
Would
What you would have
accept
do?
him.
What you would have stand right your son and tell your daughter
Listen,
no.
when you pack up your bag, if you put her out at that time, I'm going to put her out.
Over my
Oh,
dead
but
body.
for
Go
you
long.
too.
No, I'm not saying that.
Oh, can you think me deaf?
What am I saying?
Well, pack up him bag. The time them you don't send him out. Take your
Oh,
whisper, but you couldn't have a
Mhm.
whisper like a bit.
Oh, she daughter. Hush. Hush.
Yeah, man, me forgive you. Go and buy your
I am man of
business.
the planet too.
Sure, go and buy
Forgive,
your
but
business.
don't
Yeah.
forget my
Yeah,
child.
me know.
Mhm.
Yeah, so I go and sit down here, so maybe God read up on my side again.
But make sure you know what you do, you
Me
know.
know what me do.
Because you see, when it comes to man and money,
Yeah,
be careful, my child. Be careful.
me know, man.
Oh.
What go on?
Not that thing now go
Nah,
on
you not
here.
forgot somewhere.
We are.
Want
Me
my
tell us say me
girl.
cycle start.
Want my money. The big bag of money, me give the yellow bag.
Me tell us say you need to pass the test. Me never did tell us say you
No,
have to
give me my
sleep with
money.
me as part of the
No,
test.
you need give me money.
Kiss me
Girl, you
teeth.
know me go through forget the one money there.
How? Tell me.
Me need the bag of money.
Look
You
here.
understand?
Me
Because
tell us say in order for you there with me. You welcome and walk out. Me tell us you have to there with me. Me never did tell us you have to no coach.
But
Exactly.
listen,
So shut
me
up.
going on me, watch it out.
Shut
Me going
up.
on my sister things them.
Yes.
Go take out my sister how much US.
Yes.
Can come give you come one little punna.
Yes.
Where you at, Mr. Pick?
Oh, yes, swing hand pan. I know my picnic about to swing hand pan.
Oh.
Oh, sister.
They can't want me. So what Tibi tell me say I true.
Oh.
Tibi tell me say you thief me money.
Tibi tell you that
Say you thief me money. Where my money there, Bob? And me and your brother really thief me money because you want
she
woman.
thief your money. She thief.
Don't tell her to the
Take your money.
picnic.
Me didn't even know.
Don't tell her to
What is
the
her name?
picnic, young
Let me
boy.
scare her.
Okay, look at blocks. What
The money where you have a fear.
Patrick.
Hello.
Patrick,
Hello.
look here, me don't test up by myself, right? So him come to me and say, he want me. So me say, you can take care of me? He say, yes. So me say, okay, if you can't take care of me, then care some money come give me. And then care money come give me.
You use
Look here,
my
I stop
money.
tell lie.
My hard working money and take care of woman.
Right.
I give her some of the money. So what you know?
Me don't want to hear nothing. This is for you to start
You
out.
mad?
Go on the coach, you know.
Hey, me and Coach are standing here. You talk about
Hello, you never
Gucci.
there when me give her the money when she take the money.
If you fall fool, that's why me tell you test them, my daughter.
Me
Test
know that's why
them.
me test
You
him.
have to test them. If him fall fool,
You must
after
learn
your
a lesson
business
now.
She need
that.
the money and she need the money.
Oh, look here, go learn a lesson. Next time you do thief, please, a woman. You big, ugly wretch.
So you say my money gone on the train?
Yes, just like that, my dear. Hang him.
I borrow it. I borrow it.
Him
Mama,
responds to
I
him, sister.
Yes.
Come out tight. Come
on.
out tight. If him a farm full of him business that.
In the ice, head to toe in tie-dye. Wonder where this fairy came from. She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon. Hand steady, hair long. Holding fire in her hands. She starts to dance. Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the night. Ooh, Shiva by her side.
Baby,
What?
what go on?
Mm-mm.
You eat a cheese though you're hot.
Mm-hmm.
Say good and thing.
Oh, what?
You go run go up on the road, that's why I ask you if you're good, man. Go look for my mother.
Where your mother there?
Baby, you don't know my mother there already. Where they ask for my mother there for? My mother for the yard.
What you say?
Here I want to do. Then I want to fold them up. When I come back, clean up the place and probably I cook some food let me get when I come back.
What you want? Tell me what you want to cook.
Just cook your favorite dish.
Okay, no problem.
Remember, so if you clean, take up them off our bed, fold them up, and clean up,
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I'm soon cook.
And change all the curtain them too.
Yeah, you can do that if you want.
Yeah.
Alright.
You good though. Lordy hot.
I'm hot.
Good, mommy.
What happened, my son?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
You good to see you. Oh God, we're glad to see you.
So yeah, shake her.
Oh, yeah, shake your sister them hand how you used to beat them up and ramp and play.
A long time I don't see them.
Yeah.
Mommy, say, check me, see me account, check if you find out if you have no ghost trap there or not feet. What go on?
No,
Your
no,
place.
no, up there.
No, up there. No, up there. It was empty.
Empty.
It was
God
flat.
no.
It was the rock bottom.
God no.
I
God
take a look
no.
with sugar.
Oh, man.
More brush me
So,
teeth and
mommy,
salt
know, so if you call me when your house empty.
No follow them.
Eh?
Them a little actress them. No follow
What I
them.
mean by no following. We not
Son,
we not no roll and or nothing down there.
See you.
son. Yes, there's little gaps in the shopping and little gap in the cupboard. But the house not empty. Me don't know what them at top. You, from me grow you ever see my house fully empty?
No, but
Aye.
still I can't check. Cause you
It
know,
empty cause she don't got no work. Yeah. So don't make she
Don't
fool
make she
you.
put
She
it
just
up
feel
nothing.
guilty because she go listen herself. Oh, I don't want to push my son make him bad with things or nothing. Or that she could listen her
my
mind.
mother don't do that.
Thank you. At least one of my
Him
picnic
a go
know
feel-
me.
How do the
My
lady?
mother
One
don't
of
do
my
that.
what, lady
Oh, you
who?
know that I live there?
A long time, me used to live there,
Thank
No,
you.
so
No,
things and things
Thank you.
change.
Thank
my
you.
mother not change.
Things
Not
No, she a go
empty.
tell you say she a go tell you say something them don't empty
Because she don't want pressure your
she don't
pocket.
want pressure your pocket. She don't want you know want feel guilty. You feel like you man near me
My
out or
mother.
something.
Yes. Feel
Never
mother.
talk to you like say you don't know me, like say you never come out to me first. Eh? If the pig you raise, if me as a mother, you know, and the granny dead, you can't fool my son.
Wait, which big Marion?
If you did raise one, you would have known.
Some of me, I show you now nothing.
One little things, yes, but it's not as bad as them I make out
I
here.
pass her.
Let's say you come with me to the shop.
Alright.
And we can pick up the few little things. Yeah, come.
Look like
Mrs.
we did wrong.
You're wrong. Nothing. The house
not
not
wrong.
empty. Nothing.
We not wrong.
Aye. Oh God, bless you. Thank you, my son.
You're welcome, mama.
Oh God, and now me love you.
Say so may I tell her she would love you if you never buy her the things. You hear when say I know me love you. That things.
No, my mother loved me a long time. No.
Thank you.
Alright.
remember- Remember me I first picked me for my mother, you know?
Oh.
Me love all on the equal.
Alright. You don't love none more than none.
Exactly.
Right.
I trouble them a stir.
Sure.
No, we're not starting no trouble with that shit.
What, you really feel something I love you?
No, we no say love man. No.
So,
Oh.
so me everything that they get not true.
Yeah, man. The big, when I go for the small toothpaste, you pick up the big one and everything. You pick up the bigger everything. I saw you love big.
How about you? I don't live with them, man. You have to serve.
Oh, God bless you. Yeah, man. More than cancer. Big pepper, big
That
everything.
must can serve in for 2 weeks.
More. Aye, turn my hand behind me, make fashion. Right, you stay for dinner?
No, me I go for the don't say me I go for the. Me I grab something to eat, man, and me I go.
So what make you never drive?
You can't tell any and system no like when nobody know my business, you know. You can't make nobody study it.
Oh. I never knew you turn a subject or anything.
I make sure you not treat me good enough.
Yeah, always, man, always.
No, me just make you know.
We know. Oh, mother, where are you talking?
So, mommy,
2
week time me I go come look for you.
All right.
I need to get some more worship.
Oh, God, but I just want to see you. I'm glad to see you.
So, man.
I'm glad to see you. You know, so the cupboard not fully bare, but I'm glad to see you. If you see you more often, though, about 2 weeks, Make it at least a week or 2 days. I want to see you more regular.
I'll come back up here.
Quicker than 2 weeks too.
So, yeah, I'm going to go check my gym then. So, I'm forward back food no time.
Alright, that me want to hear.
Alright, later.
Alright.
I am a later. Myself.
Me not understand the
Me
shake
not understand the
hand.
shake hand business, you know.
Love you, my son.
Yeah.
Take care.
Alright.
But I don't really feel so me not love you now.
No.
Oh, just checking. I go put on the pot.
Joking.
Alright, I go put on the pot.
Alright.
Yes, Mrs. Oh, my sister there.
She gonna cook.
Oh, right time you coming now.
No, you're not coming right time.
You know, start long time.
You come here when my brother left and him people left a big food.
But you're ungrateful, sir.
I don't
Ungrateful, what? If you not see a little sister them for so long, you know must can't give them one little $1,000. They
Oh,
don't
no,
do
too
it.
ungrateful. My nephew left you.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining, I'm not chatting behind him back. What kind of dirty,
You not complain
wicked...
and
We
chat
not
nobody.
complain and chat him. We just a say.
Oh, no, too ungrateful.
And ungrateful.
Well, we're ungrateful for what?
You don't know how the man I work.
Oh,
You don't know where money come from.
Alright, you know where food come from where you come over, you can lay with it?
My sister cook it.
You know
Okay,
where it come
where you get it from? You know where it come from? No, you don't. So don't make me start with you.
Shop. Supermarket.
Shut your mouth. Which part of manufacture? You know this? No, talking about
Kingston.
Which Kingston? You're talking about.
Hey, listen to me.
All
Shut.
things are you.
Listen to me. You know, thank God for what you have.
We thank God for what we have. We never did so we
You know,
don't thank God.
You know what?
Me say, we thank God for what we have. But we
Don't
never
not complain.
say. Nobody now complain.
How only they complain?
Mommy,
Complain.
mommy,
Only
contact
dirty
your
but
brother.
Your brother come in here.
How you look like your hand raised to lick my picnic so?
He come in here.
Me come in and see your hand raised. I could have never my picnic. You raise your hand too.
Yes.
Mommy, he come in there and ask each other for $2 grand. And we tell you we don't have it. And he start cuss about how we're ungrateful.
Really, brother?
Yes, himself.
Really, brother? Me know one thing me know about you and my brother. You see when you lie, you're gone.
Alright,
High pitch.
Mrs. Me come in here, right? As you come in and ask my sister, they say you cook something right time. Then say not the right time because them brother just left here and them brother not give them nothing. So them a chat and I go along way and I go along bad. So tell me now.
We never say that. We say we brother come here. And he, due to all and he never say, make me give them all like $1,000 so they can go buy things to enjoy themselves. And that them say. And they might come chat about ungrateful. And so.
You don't even know. As much as me love my son, but in the panda shake hand with him sister, me not understand. But I have the same. It not give you no right for let me picnic them.
No, I
If
know.
Hannah your side turn up like soldier. You see Hannah raise again, mommy?
You love raise them.
Did I bite my hand for little? No?
You love raise
I was telling them they're ungrateful because they don't know them brother get them money from. They know if bad mind them brother. This is a sign that bad mind. Look how much I know one of them can murder your son just because I agree.
Nobody know. Nobody
things about my
know.
picnic.
Nobody know do that.
Now stop call bad things down for my picnic them.
So you
Let's
know,
say you come out. Don't
so you
chat
don't believe
my-
in I.
Yeah, Rasta.
So me disbelieve me picnic them.
So you,
Me come see you like that to my baby.
so you believe you're picking them over your own flesh and
You
blood.
see. And
Eh?
Papa me see. Me come in. What if me never come in?
Where may I come from? The same home. The same home. You believe them over where you and somebody that come from the same destination.
7 brothers, 7 different nine.
No, I don't say go with family man. Me ever hurt you when we young? No. Me ever thief you when we young? Or older one time.
My luck short because you take scissors and chop it when me little.
Yeah, that's one time you did a try if you go look the man down the road. I mean here, why you there with that dirty foot boy there? And you see, even it just load the dirty foot boy wanna breathe and run off. See?
You know,
And
feel
breathe and
like
run off.
they chop my
Yeah,
locks.
your papa breathe your mama and run off. And the next one now, if you did listen to me, he wanna reach America right now.
That's none of your business.
Well, last instead of $1 for you.
That's none of your business.
You don't tell her the truth. Every day you get up, you tell her about how your father doing good. Doing good way. Your father not doing one backside good. Your father send money, give one girl down the road.
So
You think your mother money? Eh?
Maybe.
you know my business, so.
Maybe. Yes, sir, mommy, I hit me
You
tell
know
you, say,
my
I watch
business,
you.
so. True, me to go to the street and la, my business all over. You know my business, so. You know what me I
You
get?
need to tell him the truth.
See, you can't tell we truth.
Papa,
Suppose you never ready to tell we
Papa, I'm
truth.
not ready for you right now, you know. I'm not ready for you right now. I'm not want to say something me, you and everybody are going to regret. So, better you come go on.
You
Come go on.
see, she, you know,
What do you mean?
if you don't jag her up, you're going to one day regret it. Remember me tell her this. Yes, if you not...
tell for top chat bad boy.
Go to the war.
Brother, but I don't want to tell you something.
One.
So come go on.
Yeah, put me out.
Put you out.
Just
You
go.
know, say.
Bye.
I know, but I come back for your part. Mommy, I know when you say.
Right timing for your part. Come out.
And then I ask
No
you if
food
you know
not there
where
for you.
brother get money from, so I ask him if you know where you get your phone from.
All right, my sister, that's how it go.
Yeah, no food not there for
That's
You
how it
know,
go.
see me come and see
Me can't
you,
come
raise your hand to
between.
me
Me
pick
can't
up.
come between you two little rich them. So, So-
Hi.
Bye.
Bye,
adios.
amigo.
Oh my God. All right.
I'll see you tomorrow, but right now my head again.
Oh, okay.
All right. Love you, but you got to go. Drink and out hard.
Bye.
I come in and I come do her.
We're ungrateful.
Him ever lick you before?
Well, not to remember, but I feel like indefinitely lick me when I small, I can't remember nothing.
Yeah, do it in front of me. Now I go back to the kitchen.
Alright.
B. How they go on there, so?
What happened?
Before me left, me not tell us every fold up your clothes and clean up your place. So how me come back?
Say, you figure a girl yard and me fix up all of them yeah, when you gonna girl yard.
Me!
You alright?
When we find time to go a girl yard, me not tell us my mother me I go look for.
So you couldn't carry me?
You a mad girl, you know?
You couldn't carry me on the mother yard?
What me I care you for? When me tell us if you clean up your place and take up your clothes and fire bed and go cook some food, what me they bring you for?
Well, tell your mother if you can fold them up and cook and change curtain.
I may see what you go eat. A face to
You
yourself.
can buy food, remember?
Where you get money from?
You can go nyam.
Where you get money from?
My father.
You better go and drink because you're hungry. Go near me supper today.
Me not fi sleep neither.
So how you go sleep?
But my father.
You know, say from what you they move somewhere like make sure you're not doing enough to do, you know.
Make sure you not do enough to do.
Cause me don't know where me forget woman from other else woman from your contact but me go and look for woman and me don't tell her say my mother me I go look for.
So tell your mother if you can fold up them because I'm tired.
You're a mad girl. Take up my clothes and me say, I say true. I feel my clothes them. Let me take them up. Now take up your one them either, you know.
Fold up this too.
That's a fear.
And put it close in them in your bag.
Me I pick out for me alone.
Oh, I feel good, but me I go up on the road now.
I feel good too. I feel like I want to take a walk.
You have to walk it off, man. My belly for...
Oh, my sister.
What happened?
Well, go on.
Where you want?
Feel good, you know.
Now? Where you want?
Where you come back? Yeah, where you come back?
So, the national anthem that.
Yes.
Them wrong?
Well, sis, I want money, me I beg you.
Shut off the money. Can't kill it, broke.
You see what I try to show you? You know, grow them up properly.
What is wrong with what them saying is the truth?
You have to give me the okay if you slap them and slap out there.
You couldn't slap me when we are grow.
Oh God. I will
You
come
want to
from.
wash your man uncle, oh God.
Them a groom you.
You see what I try to show you?
Them a groom you.
Me no want none of them groom me and next thing they go to me par road, they go tell people more them groom me.
Tear up.
If we groom here, look sensible.
I'm better.
They want you to look good out of
Mommy
street.
say want borrow money, not your cell phone where I have and go buy money.
Big phone, catch your phone.
Yeah, big phone you have, go cell phone and take it.
Bad man them.
No.
What? My brother buy me this, man. I buy money over your piece
We
of
about my fast.
Now we take
I'm
your
not-
teeth.
Well,
Go easy on him. Go
I'm
go
a
easy
nephew.
on him. Me soon come.
I'm a nephew buy me this.
Which never buy a what? My brother buy me a Samsung and buy you a 13 Pro Max.
Yes, because the good things that me do for him. Him do that good things for
Name
me.
5. Name 5 good things that you do.
I
them.
fed Uno. Uno not
Feed
see that.
what? What you feed?
I buy Uno food.
Mama,
You see,
Papa.
no time when the mother don't have it. And me push everything. Me as a bigger brother. The back of my sister. I may push. I may help my sister. And Uno come up and I can style I.
Nobody
We
knows
not
style.
style,
Not a soul not doing that.
Eh? You know much cry. You cry for hunger. And I me save your life.
See, I'm gonna give him my friend.
no, when me did I cry for hunger? Tell me which age.
At the age of 3.
Oh, so I should have walk and go and make money. That's what I should have done to finish.
No, you should have shut.
Exactly my point. So shut your mouth. If I never my mother for feed me, you for feed me.
See,
Your papa sit down for money. Your mama never tell her that.
No,
Your
she never
papa
tell
sit down for money. When me say money, all girl man come to
like how you know,
chuk.
like how you know my papa go and go bring my papa money and left off of
That's
my
your feeling.
mother. Simple.
Wow.
If sit my papa sit down for money.
If your mother can buy one ticket to fly, go to him. And me go waste my money if you go to your papa if you want him to come mind you. Ungrateful
No,
dog.
you want money.
Drunk crook. Eh?
Concubine.
Hey, well gone.
I
I
see.
mean, here you are cause my picnic.
I share rank with me, you know.
Me not rank with him.
You come in here. Retirement with spirit.
Hey,
I
money. He say feel papa sit on pa money, right? So me I say instead of him a come here come beg you, go beg with papa then if we papa got the money.
That infinite.
That me tell him.
So hold on a
And it
minute.
start.
Hold on a minute. This is the second time me come in here interrupt you and perplex my pick the them head. Hey? Now you gone as far as talking my business and I chat them
Again.
papa again.
So sis, look funny now. You know that them papa have a lot of money, right?
What is that to you?
Huh?
What is that to you?
Sis, you don't feel like say your brother spend enough back then when could have save and buy himself a nice proper clothes, a nice proper house.
May I answer something?
Now spend upon the little rich them.
That was back then.
You see what I'm trying to show you? No
But
man.
no,
But
that
papa-
means you never do it with the goodness of your heart or with
Can you
your
walk-
head.
I done it with the goodness of
You
my
never
heart.
do it where you come back here and want it for. Where you come back here and
And
take
you
it for.
forget what me do too.
Yeah.
You look
Me
at
about
the way
money.
you talk, papa, is like say it's one way track in the train
No,
around.
mommy, you know
Eh?
what I do?
Like said me never do things for you too. All the beating me take for you. I'll fight woman off the street for you. And you think say me a woman and make close my mouth and take the beating. So me no want give you away.
Then you need to know that.
Mommy, you know what? There's a whole life food when come over here for and for over 5 years now. Tell him say all the time pay back when you get.
Yes.
You're at that you pay back.
You don't
Yes,
have
without
no
your
more to
food,
get.
you don't die. You get your pay back, you're alive.
You see what day when you come for the food?
All right,
We see
over
when
the
you
5
come back.
years, right? I come over here and I eat. Yes, I confess to that. I get food from my sister and the food was delicious. But I never leave with that food in my belly. I let it out back in on the time.
Yes, I'm
So that
hungry.
means that me not get it
Are
off.
you
with the-
wrong?
Hey!
Sit it out back.
Yam
Original
is good.
keeping
And him
it
not even
and
yam
make
and
it
go
a
away. Him yam bong and go away. You yam bong go away.
Also, when you know nyam bong and go away, nyam
No, yeah.
in
boy.
nyam teeth and go away.
Listen, no,
That's
yeah,
him
go
do.
with dry scab and nothing here. Me, I go back to
Listen,
the
brother.
So sis, you really are telling me about me a thief me? Ever thief nothing from you?
Me say teeth come out of my mouth.
Ah, she, you know. I will shut it up back, you know.
They try.
Shut
Name
it up,
them
Boxer.
there.
Shut it up, back.
Me want to see the
it
day.
up.
Brother, you gonna make me do it again? You gonna make this a regular thing, brother? Come, go on, man. Me not
I
no
am put me out.
food. Me not no money.
Yeah.
Me love you, my brother, but
Ah, yeah,
can't
run me
can't
out
take
of
it,
house.
man. The
What?
pressure.
When we help your bill, you run me out time.
Me not say for good. Me just say for no.
When we hold up them
Call me a
brother.
sweat, brother.
Oi.
Call me a sweat. Me pressure, man. Me
And I'm
pressure.
buying you the Wi-Fi, you know. Eh? And that's what you do.
Nobody
Me not
not
give you
run
the
you
money.
out. Nobody not
Me
run
not
out.
give you
So
the
you're
money.
not a
I mean, I'll give you a taxi fare if you go up a flow, go pay it for me. So nobody tried to
We
style
not have
me.
no food. We
Like
not
said,
have
beg me, I beg
Mommy,
you.
and me,
See you
I
tomorrow.
remember Flo still a call you for Wi-Fi bill.
See you tomorrow. Come here, sweat, brother. Yeah, raise my pressure. You know, say hi already.
I'll teach you something. Don't come in balling to me, you know.
For what?
Me not say it, you know. Me don't want to say it and it happen. But just don't come in balling to me. Because this a brother, yeah. I want to show you how to teach yourself. All right.
Me a go on good.
Hello.
Me a go on good. Later. Every time you come back and then come perplex my head.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man. I me need a drink. Me need some cold water. Come here, hot.
B, what going?
There, man, you good?
You couldn't just have a bed?
So what you there for? What do you think me put you here for?
Not for slavery, right?
Me never tell her for me put you here for slavery. Me put you here for work, cause me a mind and me a man. So when you still look at things what happen in the house and take care of, you shall do it.
Oh, yeah, man, me I do it. No, wait, me go do it.
Yeah, I remember say I bed this where we asleep, and I remember say me is a hard working man, you know.
That's true.
So nothing wrong if me get up and you want to straighten up and you do it.
That's true, man.
Everything a true man, a true man, a true man.
So what you have to say now?
What me have to say? Me I go up on the road.
Me didn't know you want to say something.
You never know nothing, man. Just cool,
What you
man.
have up on the road for?
Make sure so when me come back you don't chat about girl this and girl that and where and tay. Me I go up on the road go deal with some business. When me come back and I want to cook some food too. Cause I get hungry still, you know. So
Yeah, man,
some
me go
food.
cook it for you.
Alright.
Alright.
Make sure you know, don't
Me gonna cook this something, what happened to you?
Alright. Nobody do me like last time.
No,
No,
me not do that, I promise. Yeah, don't get man. Don't wait, I gonna get food, no fuck I know.
I don't need tired, man. So them at
Is that my handsome brother? Your handsome brother, Missy?
What's what
Yeah.
I'm handsome?
What? Him handsome, him look like him mother. Yeah, alright, my son.
Little with your mom.
Can't say
That's
how good this
better.
time.
I think you come back with a shake.
Aye, me would have licked me say
Mommy,
about
where you run
shake
to, you
hand.
know?
Just a walk down the road.
Oh.
Oh, we never know, sir.
In a year say you live, yes.
So, mommy not telling me say me have one house in Alena.
No.
Now woman living.
No.
Why you never tell me
I
that?
never tell you that because are you me I try save.
How?
You know,
From what?
tell me lie. Tell me if I lie, me I tell.
I lie,
You
me
were
I
that
tell.
dead
Leave off
down
the
in
fear.
yard every minute. I beg food, I tea from him pot, and I beg. Are you me I save them save you from?
That's all I see now.
No, of course not. Of course not. A son, not some raise you.
I didn't feel do it, man.
I
my
said
sister.
do.
You're going like saying,
Alright, you heard him, right?
I didn't feel
Oh.
do it, my mother. I didn't come, better them come beg and eat out of my pot.
That's true.
I know how she come and come chat too. She do much better cause you know why? Anytime Sister Jacqueline come a yard come look for her.
Going like she's sick.
Yeah.
Say
When
what
I be all in
business.
face with water and
we
put
have
all
to find
powder
her.
and everything dry up on him mouth and go on like say hungry. Kill him! And then when he did then go on like say cold sweat everything and washing the way for turn up over him so it's so fan
My
him.
mother don't come there.
I saw 60 here.
I saw him stay at that thing though. Every time your man come there that thing though.
Hey, stick up in. You know how she time already. And from you little bit, that woman owe me money. Yeah. And always I come to me and I beg me money. And they tell me, say, next week, Monday to come, I'm supposed to get something. So, when me teach all I know, sometimes when they have to play fool for catch wise. True. So I true them I talk. Me play fool for catch wise. And she the real fool. Cause all the little money she said she give me, if she did have little sense, she would have said, Shaz, see the money here. I can take that for my bill. Take that for what me owe you. She not do that. So she still owe me. They think some idiots, you know.
Not funny.
If she did owe you what she owe me, you would be laughing too.
Me not laugh. But still, you talk about beg and so. Are you will take it after? You wicked and you will follow.
See, you do it for follow you.
Yes.
No,
You're
you
setting
know
up very
who
good.
do it too. You don't. She
That's
put you
how I
on a
different.
doorstep.
No, nobody not
Mama
sleep
can't
on the
left
doorstep.
him in the yard. Where you bring him come out?
Why you come a road
she
for?
can't.
Why you not turn your yard with your woman and give your woman attention and
I'm
everything?
mad at me can't look for her now.
Oh. Well, we live with our mother, so anywhere you see her, you shall see us.
Mommy, sometimes if you lift them up there in the yard, I
No.
can't have a cup in them and walk back on you.
I'm a little duckling them, man.
Yes, mother duckling.
I understand, man.
I'm a little duckling
So we
them.
hide to you now.
I head back home now. We just go for a walk and we head back home and thing.
Oh, so everything good up there?
So we can't go look for you one day.
What you mean?
Alright.
Normal pray.
Oh, cause you see, we never know where you live, so we can't come down. Cause sometimes all you are boring and hot. We don't know where to go.
We can come man anytime when ready, man. Just call me now. Or make mommy can come show me where me live.
Alright. Get it
So-
straight from the house.
So we at there, like how we the right so already. Make you not just show away from now.
Yeah, so where is it?
Mommy go let tired, he ain't go now and go no further and he must walk go far up back.
Mm. We'll
So
see my
it's-
skin off in teeth you next time.
So mommy, how,
Yeah, hear the rhythm.
how it goes to them? You still have like, you can serve it?
Yeah, man. We're good. We're good enough for now. For now. Me know say you will
So
look
we're
after
good.
me.
Yeah, we're good, man. We're very good.
Yeah, alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
Positive.
Alright then. You just want to say everybody good. Everybody alright.
Mhm. Love that.
Alright,
You
we have to
good?
back up.
Yeah man.
That me love.
Yeah.
That me love. Make sure say me see at the house, you know. This
Yeah.
no count as a visit. I want to see you at home.
Alright.
And nobody
I know
come for
say-
you 3 minutes and then tell me say I go back in your yard.
Aye.
Remember say I come me yard soon, you know.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
you know say me I come
true,
travel,
true.
me come look for you later, you know, cause want me easy, but more easy with about something.
All
Yeah.
right.
Alright.
You know me there.
Mhm.
All right. Little more.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
All right, bless.
Oi.
We're blessed, you know, we're too blessed.
That's true. Yeah. Yeah,
Fuck on.
Kenna, yeah, girl.
Nothing.
Yeah, girl. So, I'm not going to deal with the little business. Cause long time, I look phone, you know.
We can deal with it anytime.
No, I'm not talking.
Excuse me, good evening.
That's the
Hi, good
reason.
evening, Charmaine.
Oh, what kind of business you talk to from regard to them?
No, kid stuff, school stuff.
Yeah, school stuff,
Nothing more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, I'm going alright?
Yeah, me good.
Oh, yeah, behave like you don't know me, sir.
I don't know you.
I mean,
You know what? You know, remember Kayla we always come over yard. You want where you juke him with the fork on his nose.
Yes.
See, still left him mark.
With the
You
hot
scar him
fork.
for
Do you
life.
remember
Take up
me?
your chicken leg. Lord God, when you stretch and grow too. Last time you see you saw. You stretch
big
and
man.
grow, man.
Yeah.
Oh God, me sorry me upon you, but next time me to teach you, don't thief out a people pot.
I never teeth me that teeth. I mean, that try to say she give it to me. But if I think
Because she said she hungry.
Yeah.
So I said, just step on her leg. Mommy not do nothing but tell. Why we were so wrong.
Me not ramp with my food, you know. Me not ramp with my food, especially my chicken leg. I'm my favorite part. Hush, hush. You alright though?
Yeah,
How
what's
your
up with-
mother?
My mother fine or something.
Long time.
So
me
you
no see her.
alright?
Yes, me
Okay.
good. Me good.
So I went me as soon, no?
Even later. Anytime, girl, you know where we live.
And now come on in yard for no man joke me back with no.
No, not on our cook, no, not on our cook, so you can't joke you.
So anyways, me go for my Mary all way. Remember, so we have something to deal with.
Yes.
Aye, we will link you.
Yeah.
No, make me wait for an up high spot. I'm in a soon, you know. Alright.
Girl, we are gonna be there.
Soon come.
Yeah.
Okay, don't think about that beard.
Yeah, I'll go live for mother, girl.
Come on.
Oh, mother.
Alright, we're not gonna be it.
Mind the talking food, you know.
Can't believe so this a girl. Oh,
Even.
Evelyn. Me never tell us how we cook.
So you can't cook?
So how me come here and no food no cook, no food no prepare. Where food there? Where get box food from? Me sure no say me never left no money when me a go, you know.
I feel know where me get it from. Just know say any game out I rather play, me can play too and me can play better.
Which game you chat about? You feel a PlayStation or
Any
Xbox
game,
this?
I could have PUBG.
Who buy your food?
You know have to know that I'm one big woman.
Yeah, one big man.
Yeah.
Me I live. I will tell me say me not have to know that.
You not
Me
have to
sure
know
no say me
that.
not left $1 yesterday when me a go, you know.
So what that say?
Alright. One day you go and sorry. Just
Nah,
remember
sorry,
me to tell
yeah.
her.
You not get no food if that you want to ask. No.
Yeah, me food I enjoy your food.
I'm go for one juice.
Hope you full your belly.
It a go full my belly.
No ask me for nothing more, you know. No ask me for nothing.
Hello, girl. John Fred, hear me a call to you.
Eh?
You come
You
back.
hear me a call to you.
Where the call me say?
Me say hello, girl.
No, girl, me never hear you.
Oh, yes.
So what going on?
Nothing not go on.
So remember the time so now so one mission for
Yeah.
you. Maybe not ask you about. You come like come
Our
and give
brother
me the
have
word.
one woman, and the woman I say everything we will forget.
I
So,
want to get rid of the
want to get rid of
woman. I'm tired of her.
No, brother want woman.
You want to look a dirty girl.
And because of that, we not get no money, right?
Yeah, we not
Yes.
get nothing. Nothing at all.
Oh, well, that easy. 1, 2, 3 to get rid of the girl. So,
Mm-hmm.
we not get the money. Not every $10 no better not go.
That's
Deal with that. The only thing we would do is get little freckles and guess what? Mommy get it. And what we get it when we do, send we to school. We don't get no.
I buy
Oh,
grocery.
my. Well, anyways, me know how to corrupt people, man, already. So, easy 1, 2, 3 for corrupt people. And me know if get rid of crosses people.
No, we want to get
Right.
rid of.
I see me at that.
But I share crosses people.
Yeah, the crosses.
Yeah.
Yes. So, when if you tell me our details and when we want the business to get done.
Girl, you can get it done anytime between but tomorrow. Anytime, by the way. Anytime. I'm tired of them. Anytime.
We just want she gone.
Oi.
What going on, Bobsy? Come here.
Yeah, hold on. Here comes.
Yeah. You alright? What going with you? Alright?
Big name me get now.
Yes, uncle. Big
If
name.
you ever know what
Boopsy.
boopsy mean.
Every day me ask myself that, but that's how you go.
Oh, if you don't know
Uncle,
that,
you
you don't
got
know.
phone. Google it.
Google it.
You have
Boopsy,
before no
boopsy
brother
name.
buy your Google it. That's we should take it from you right now.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, make
Are
it
you
fine.
buy food? You know
I'm
I buy.
a brother buy.
So what you do to the two Jezebel them?
Me I talk to them about business. Stop calling him Jezebel. I'm a friend them.
You don't involve them to rat in a business. Them don't know nothing about business. Them bad mind and jealous. Them, and my niece, them and me I tell you, them corruption.
Look here,
Then get the
uncle.
last bottom of their father's sperm. Corruption.
Uncle. You see before you come
That's
here.
why I don't go back. That's why I don't breed me woman. You know. You notice how I go with Susie? Boots. Boots. 5, or sometimes 5.
No, listen to him. He hit up kind of they go sometime.
No, about in it up art. My boopsy. You know not for me.
Yeah, man, you can check the fire. Yeah,
Fire.
money. Yeah, a lot of money.
You see you look thick and strong.
Ah, so when you come back. So when you come over here, I see you come back money for give.
Dirty
So you
girl.
really deal with me? I'm your friend.
No, when I talk about that, every day I
Girl.
come over there.
You see me make money?
Batty man.
Yeah.
Eh?
You see me make money?
You come back.
Batty man. Every day in the over the yard.
All food,
Yes,
yeah, all food come
Every day I come over there, come back and so on.
Yesterday he come back 2 grand.
You feel say, me I walk and beg them a little drink bag.
I know we
I know
come
you beg
back.
our mother. And guess what? We brother give we mother money.
So boopsy. You got it. You don't got to beg. Don't worry about what they want to say.
I
People
know-
love talk. Don't
Right.
let them.
You see how them dress, you know dress up, me know that.
Right.
Look
right.
how them dress like say them a sell on the bridge.
Don't worry about that.
They're just alright. Don't worry about that.
You sure?
Look how she dressed. If he move too fast, in titty them say peekaboo.
And his
I
skirt got
see
up here,
you.
so.
my-
If he walk too fast, our skirt right come up here, but it jar them and say, hey, how you doing?
Okay.
Okay, so
And
that
that's
means
why
don't come here, come.
like me put on the theme for boops.
Oh,
No, what you mean by that again?
I mean boops. Mwah.
Oh!
Say.
God, you see?
Go on up. Got him a corrupt here, man. Go on up. Go on up.
You see how the bad mind.
yeah, we bad man. We definitely and
Oh,
what
You see when they reach up your yard, use the iPhone and brother buy and search up what is boopsy.
Eh,
One
You
more.
need to use the iPhone.
Uh-huh.
Don't use the iPhone. Go lie down and relax. Me soon come.
Me have about 6,500 up there for you, yeah?
Yes. Alright. Go on up.
Right. You see all you?
Shut up, go about your business.
Go on, beggy.
Go on, Boopsy. Boopsy, go on.
Tomorrow
Boopsy,
morning,
go on,
come me not tell
Boopsy.
your mother say me see a party with 5 man.
Go on, Boopsy, go on.
Me don't need
Boopsy,
papa.
go on. Boopsy, go on, where you
Yeah, me
going?
witness. 5 man to the
She
party,
not
right?
gonna be her witness.
Yes, anyhow you come over here tomorrow, me go tell mommy say me see you out the road a plan for kill her because you're not lending, she not lending the other money.
Okay.
So if you don't want me to do that, you shut your mouth and go along on your way.
And a 2 verse 1. So
Shut
go
your mouth
on.
and go on, Boopsy.
Beggy,
Boopsy,
Marley,
go on, Boopsy.
Boopsy. Go on up. Go on up.
Yeah, Boopsy, go on in your bed, go lay down,
Go on.
Boopsy.
I don't you know.
How about?
I know that hurt me.
What hurt you?
Oh, my niece never traveled on a plane before and she a twang.
Bubsy, that not do me nothing, Bubsy. My papa
Alright.
is at foreign, Bubsy. Bubsy, if I wanted to go to foreign, I would have, Bubsy. My mother just not letting me from under her wing.
Okay.
Okay, we do.
Then
Me
listen.
and how we talk about the business later.
Yes. Alright.
But say me call link you, cause
Okay.
I couldn't now move.
Niece.
I hope when I get the money, I can some congy way.
If you ever make him go up at the yard, go search up about books, you will see if I get none of the money.
Alright.
Niece, let me explain something to you. You're talking about your father overseas, right? Your father overseas never seen you a dime.
Bubsy, don't you know something called toothpaste?
Bubsy, don't you know something about wash your arm?
Look your face, Bubsy.
Mardy, go on up, beggy, Mardy. Come on, we are good.
Wait, me, I say, look, that t-shirt. Oh, we are running.
God.
Really need
Me
a
see-
rake.
Oh, we're glad to see what I do, sis. Oh, God, we have problem. Problem.
What do you...
Everywhere me go is problem. You don't know, say, dirty foot boy. This, me and me throw to big stone and lick out somebody ring scream.
Them don't know you who, brother.
They don't know me, but the problem is me have to fix the bag, so me I look alone. If I can't lend you 120 grand, me not have a problem.
Me make a money. 20 grand you gone. Not even 5 or 10.
A chump change that here, man. Chump change.
You know what me have to do? Forget the little change me have. And me and my picnic them. Chump change.
We tell you to make it fit them go look work. Make them go look work.
And put down them book.
No,
I'm
they-
trying idiot like a you. Me want my daughters them to be better than me. Me
No,
watch
listen.
people dirty underpants. My girls them not to do that.
No, man, them. I forgot to tell you, know, how 5 man me see them with yesterday, you know. 5 man.
5 which man? I mean, me know my daughters. Why, Papa? Why you love cause trouble, so? Eh?
Me say,
Every time you come, you want perplex my brain, so I want me do you? What my daughter them do you?
you don't believe me?
5 man.
5
My little girl them can take. Then little and small and I can take 5 man.
I remember I grow me walk, you know, right? I mean, I grow and I plumb up so. I mean, me here. Then me, my turn. When me look, how your 2 daughters them that with their hand down on the ground.
And what you do?
One of the man them something see it here.
What you do?
What me fi do?
What you do for do?
Me turn me back.
Hey. I some make me know say I lie you a tell. I some make me know say I lie you a tell.
Yeah.
Cause my girls them just give you a little bit of the truth and you want to raise your hand to them.
No.
And then you see something like a that. Something nasty like a that. And you don't do nothing about it. Something fix me head down. Me know say I lie you a tell.
No, for real. No, for real. Alright, me turn me back. The reason why me turn me back, me take up this stuff, lick them down and say, listen me boy. Then call me a boy, you know. Then say, listen me boy, we are 16. So me just turn me back and walk because the man then did a gun. I mean, I dead sick of them. Me love me life. Call him out. If you think a lie, me a tell. Call him out.
You're not happy, call you.
Oh, no there?
Come.
The pot smell good, man, the bun up.
You not get none.
In a bono. I may a cook and in a bono.
Oh, you like half the pot already, so we can get some.
No.
It even done.
Oh, no good, Nini.
You know somebody are gonna get beaten today.
Oh, no, nice, not true, no good. No,
No, but skin teeth with them.
I'm a good niece.
No. You come
I'll get
looking
some,
at
I'll
my
get
face,
some.
make 2, I make 4. And come tell me how much money you say I suck out me picnic them? How much? How much money you say I suck out my girls them?
Mommy, yesterday we saw him and he tell us that him a come over here, come do. So whenever they really penetrate him, we no say
I want to
come
go
over
for
here,
what
come
am
do that.
for?
Where?
Hey,
come beg you
I
now.
lie you come
No,
to tell
no,
me.
no.
I lie you come to tell me picnic them. I lie you come to tell me picnic. Me will all alive people for me picnic them, you know. Don't carry picnic them on the street and come tell lie to me about me picnic them, you know.
Where you come, big guy? 2,000 you come for us.
Hey, which 2? Which
How
2?
much? 6,500.
Clear 20 gone.
Oh my
Chump change. Chump change.
It a go to the Boopsy.
It a go rumba.
No.
Boopsy. Who's from bar? Boopsy,
Hey.
me
Hey, wait, what is A?
That's what I mean in a boopsy.
What did I tell you for
What
Google
did I tell you
it?
for
You
Google
did listen?
it? You get big iPhone 13 Pro Max now,
Put
brother.
it to good
And me
use.
still I use Samsung.
So hold on,
And
tell
you
me
put
so.
that to good use?
So hold on. The little chump change as you call it so. Me I work and a batter and I provide for me picnic them. You take give woman. You take buy front.
Boopsy.
You take my money. No, not mine. You take the picnic them money go buy front.
Yeah.
And that you really do.
Mama, see
Eh?
them
And that you really do.
connect.
Eh?
Not even hear them.
You don't feel shame.
No, you not.
The front, you know, you have no use, see? Look how you salt and frozen, you know, look how big a hole you have and you don't have no picnic. You just have buy front, so you can't produce none. Don't put that in my hand, you reach it, like I'm reach it and grab it for you, you know.
What you just said?
Me say, all the front you buy, you must say salt and frozen because you not produce not even chick nor dime. And I me I come, may I sacrifice everything for my picnic them. One gone through already.
You ever ask me why I don't get no picnic?
Why you don't get no
I
picnic?
sacrifice myself because of you.
Sacrifice what for me?
That's why I don't get no picnic.
Allah, you tell, listen, you're dry, you need some strong back. Me and your sister, me not for talk to you like
Sis.
so, but me love you. You need
Sis.
some strong back in your man. You
Sis.
need some bitters and roots in your
If
man.
you hear this, but never met them here now. Since I did the top, but me not no use. 17 years ago, you and your first man was trying to get us youth, right? And he couldn't come. And two me sister, you're fret and you're wonder you don't want to lose a relationship. Me go a Mobile and me link African. Right? And I sacrifice my youth sperm. Right? So me now get no picnic. And you get the picnic. So comes your man could have breed you.
God!
And you all over me and tell me, say,
No,
me not no use because me not get no picnic.
no, nobody try that here.
If you don't believe
And
me,
my
African.
goody
I'm
friend get me these
Yeah,
three
I'm
picnic me have.
manipulate
Eh?
much, I'm
I work
manipulate.
my body and produce three blessing. One gone through in their life and me still have to guide these two. Nobody come with the foolishness you saw. Both one.
Yeah,
Eh?
I know,
Both one.
I know.
You can produce.
You know?
Yeah, make me sweat again, Papa. Yeah, raise my pressure again, Papa. Don't do
You
it.
see, oh my sacrifice bless you. You get a chocolate, you get a brownie, and you get a whitening. Eh?
Mommy, I'm
So I seasoning my breed. I seasoning my breed.
It looks so.
A human, me don't know about you, but a human brings me into this world. Productive, beautiful,
the man you can't-
stunning. Come on, yard. Come on to me, yard. Me licking
All right.
me taking for you, licking my pressure already gone up, you know. This me pick them one more time.
All right.
You can say what you want about me, but this me pick them one more time.
All right.
Yeah,
You see that?
Get where you come from.
we soon come here. We're gonna meet with best tequila, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna meet him.
Boopsy. Bye.
Oh, and then,
Yes.
Papa.
Let me ask you a question.
Hey.
You believe them two Jezebel? All the man them I go meet. The
Okay.
5 man them.
Okay, I'm
Any-
gonna meet your boopsy. Girl, I'm gonna meet your boopsy before me boops you out. And I know that boops me.
Yeah, you see?
Me pop you out.
You see?
I truly me love you, you know. Think
All
I
right.
think you can that shoe,
I'll
you
be
know.
honest with you. Me tell life on them about the 5 man. Yeah. Me tell life on them but sis, they are not a good children. That's why I have to tell the life on them. They are not. And I can tell you them bad mind and they corrupt. They don't want to see me come to nothing. And I really sacrifice myself for true. If you go up to Africa and they will tell you, how you think you get those 3 bunks in Pitney? It's because me sacrifice my youth. Me could have get Oliver Pitney already, you know. You know what girl me shut off, you know. I could have get a lot.
Fire pair, pop, banks.
Oh,
Blanks.
okay.
A dance all, you there. A fire, bear, blanks in the ear. You have to drink so strong back, my brother. Me love you, may I talk to you. Good.
All right.
Me a gardening,
Me fi drink strong
yes,
back. Oh, yeah.
drink some garlic for my pressure.
Listen now, no. Me I drink me strong back, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I think you need to see God. Because what is about to come, you can't stop it.
God know me and love me.
You better-
Brother, me too blessed for stress. Oh.
All right, I'll go, wait till I hold them one up on the road. You wait. You wait.
So, give me money, you know, can I do the business?
Girl, shut up. You already have my uncle books out.
Yeah. No, I'll come with the money, give me.
No, I won't leave my money.
See them there. I make up for that.
Hurry up.
Debbie!
Yo, go on, Caleb.
You alright? Hi.
How you know this a girl
Well,
of
go on, brother.
You good?
Me no must good.
So, I make you go like you know me, so.
So me no must good, you know.
Girl, that's for my man. What you do?
Man,
No, me had you for you last night.
I do
No,
what?
you yes.
I do what?
And you tell me I'm sweet. I agree with it.
Sweet.
What she at about?
You believe that?
What she at? Hello, my man.
You know me no like
But
sweet.
she
You
a
know me no like
talk
sweet
about-
things. So you talk about sweet for.
Hello. Tap babe, don't make me not note here, TB. Don't make me not note here. Don't make me not note here. I'm a man, who you?
Sis.
Which woman that from where? Yeah? I'm talking now.
Sis.
In woman. Hello. You understand? In girlfriend. Excuse me.
Yeah, now listen
Excuse me now.
Now listen to them, a prank.
What about you? What you do? Sissy, I'm a man. What wrong with you? What is? What is that girl here?
Boy, I saw you go and babe.
What?
Stop you serious.
Yeah, monkey. What? Jesus.
Don't touch me.
What one Moopsy?
Me know that you know. Me know that you know. Me hear it today. Say me nyam out. Say you nyam me didn't nyam me out all
Who
along.
tell us about me in your mouth?
So
And that me I say.
So you the nephew and the uncle. One
No. That's what me help them do.
girl,
Huh?
which part of you get two pum pum? How you had two pum pum? How you had take two something one time? Me not
Me and him
understand.
not there, me and him not do nothing.
Then me not just hear you say your man. And how he
And I'm
get-
a man. Is it one? It one
No,
no,
don't, hey,
don't invite me.
Hey, woman.
I
The
don't.
nephew, I'm a little concubine, you know.
You're bright.
Are you a man?
No, I'm like a book say money alone. Me take me no want to now no.
So you never give me that money.
You didn't forget some money.
Planning, come back, come back.
What ya?
How much you galang lakalizas?
Anyways, don't feel no way say me that book so you're too old and expect.
How you reach out so?
The girl did that near me out to say I couldn't get the money for your nephew. That's why we get
Oi.
to get rid of the girl.
You know how me did well
Hello.
when I'm up by myself on the road?
What y'all go do? Eh?
Eh? You know how me did
Me not afraid of that thing.
What are you?
You wanna get lick, mama?
Let it go. Go up. Give me this. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go on home. Go on.
Come back here and come beg me no. Here.
Go on.
Go on here. Don't tap to me for come here. They took
Go up.
Uncle look there. See how much you go.
Mommy!
Oh, me a come. I was so.
Your brother beat Ken up on the road and make me run. You need to take up one big tune. Philly Ken.
I can't go so.
Mommy.
You alright? What happened?
Yes.
What happened?
No,
How
I
you
ended
doing?
up there so I tried beat me, but me defend myself.
What happened? Tell me exactly what happened.
Me don't know.
Have gone too far now. What happened?
I don't know. I just tell me
Well,
to
they
go up
find
and I decide to me name
Well,
and
by
go
the
up
road,
me
your friend.
me today.
And you come up and you attack half in face and showing him boopsy did they know. He make him feel like say my man. And I want lick we.
Hold on. What you do to make him want lick you know?
When I don't know, I just find out saying boopsy I give him bun.
And that make him raise him hand too now?
He boopsy again born with our brother. And he might come ask the girl if how he get two vagina.
Hold on. This cobweb hard to follow. Your friend Kayla that me help grow, I mean know from so. They with my brother.
Yes.
And they with my son.
Let me correct you. Your brother had the money, man. And your son
At the real
had the
man.
real man. So you see money where you give your brother, I can't shiggy.
Hey, And Kayla give back TV.
The mommy, me think we tell her that this morning.
No, so me not understand the cobweb. Right.
Well, mommy, a
so
cobweb
in a
is
circle,
confusing.
you get back your own money.
Yeah.
But here what? It can't go so. Because me notice from the other day, I get ring on face.
Right.
You know, where am there?
We don't
Where
know.
We left him up the road.
Alright, me go talk to him.
Yeah, you one can't go.
You one can't go on, we not come. Bye.
Yo, baby. As when me I tell her say you can't watch. My family them already must say some little mix up and some set on so. You don't really worry about that with them have to say what you know.
So you don't know if you talk to them.
Me talk to them but they not do better. The more me talk to them, me come like a race so then get but no worry about that.
You still not tell me black girl at who.
Don't worry about that, baby. Me I tell her so me have whole heap of plans here still, you know.
So you tell the next one too?
Most of them like easy with it. You know, right now, I want a nice piece of land in there plan to buy.
Where?
Up the road up there, so a nice piece of land. No, you go love the land now. And a nice size house, so me a plan to build. Oh God, man. That's gonna make you even love me more. You plan to buy
2 car?
you want a car, baby?
2 more.
2? You want can drive 2 car, man. Where are we 2
2
car?
foot me have it, 2 of them can stretch.
Oh, man, those like how you have premium there, but I want you can't afford. Remember, so we can't run any money, you know, because probably later in the future, how you go? But we don't have no money. Not
Yeah,
too
babe.
young, I know.
I pick things and said.
No, say now, book on money, man, because...
Hey, girl, text her.
Which girl? Me I go pick up our money from my virgin, so don't let you you know. Don't go nowhere. Give me 5 minutes, come back.
I like it door back at you.
Alright. Dios! B! How she got? Most bathroom she got. B! But I'm back with the doctor, so. Really packy girl pack up and gone. I'm telling the little girls if you don't left yard. I must. B!
It's tired out.
Sorry, like,
Me teeth are fine.
idiot. You kidnap somebody, I can't come on the yard.
Me they tell us say we kidnap her.
We not kidnap her.
No, we just want to get rid of him from our brother.
Let me get me clear. Hurry up.
Girl up here no did it. What's wrong with you?
I will pay me. Me pay no the mama.
If whole line I mean something more you do we are just consider that as a payment here. Girl tie like a goat your tie so strong. You shouldn't wheel him up.
Time, they can't
You know, my fingerprint on him, you know, cause anybody can dead anytime. I'm gonna feel like more on that.
She can feel still a breathe. Chicken. Alright, so get a pulse.
It's something strong, you know, where we use. They say they use in a court people for over 4 to 5 hours in a surgery.
Alright, I know.
Where you go do?
I hate this now, me I got me.
Me too. Follow.
Push
No,
man.
wait, I hear someone live.
We
Jesus
can't
Christ.
push man die bed. You idiot.
Anyways, me no know me.
No, we know you.
Idiot, una gonna have sense.
Yeah. Me alone not take it fall if nothing happen.
Baby can't get me hard then.
Yeah,
can't
what
go.
that? Who that?
God.
Who God?
Oh, what is? Oh, what is? Oh, yeah, doing me. Oh. Little girl.
I'm charming.
Little girl. Oh, what is?
I'm moving we are star. I'm moving we are
I want play. I want play. Theater art. She breathing. No. See. Phone. Say phone, yeah. Show her video. Show her video.
No, sir.
A prank.
Really the pan.
A prank. A prank.
In my yard.
Me the prank.
Shut up, Dad.
my yard. In my yard. You get what? No. How it is? Jesus Christ. Little girl. Lord. Little girl. Get up. Little girl. Come. What the fuck? Shut up. Little girl. Lord God, somebody. Bring crosses. And my house, they really. What you do, ya?
Mommy.
What you do? Me never run you.
Sorry.
Me never run you enough,
Yes,
eh?
yes, you want me do. Yes,
A prison you want consent me?
me no, mommy. Yes, you want me do. Me sorry. Me ask if I can forgive me, please.
Forgive who? You have to forgive the little girl. You're lucky so me managed to get pulse back pan her. Me have to bring CPR pan her. And bring her back.
And I forgive me.
Forgive what? Now anything happened to her in my yard, in my room.
No, anybody don't happen to her.
How she get
Thursday,
unconscious?
And my friend knock her out.
For what?
Because my brother give her too much attention and he not going to feel it.
And because Tibia give attention, you do that?
Yeah.
You broke the law and sin because your brother loves somebody? You really think what you say? Forgive who? You talk to Phoebe? You talk to Tibby? Me phone him. And him know what you do. Why come out
I know
outside?
me alone.
I know you alone. And a dry foot black girl coming can't help you.
I can't hit too.
Missy can't tell nobody. What can I do? Huh? Me come in and you and the black girl over here with rope like shahag. Hey? You raise no hugging ya?
Me sorry.
Sorry? Take your roaches and come out of me yard.
How will me I go?
Me business? You did business when you tie up girl and bring her in my yard, little girl, for police to come run me down.
Where me I go?
My business. Try no say. You got your father. You have your papa stinking ways. Go along your father family yard.
But they don't tell me what my father so how me feel what
Go find him. You find people for kidnap people and bring them to my yard. And me you want to send go to jail, girl? Oh. Where we get them from, eh? No, sir. Oh, God.